Chat, chat, chat. What up, what up, what up? Cheers, mates. What's good, chat? Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. I'm going to get set up here, and then we will get the party started. Welcome in. W's in the chat on the way in here today. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. What's the good word? What's the good word? Good morning, Tom. I see you, Tom. Good morning, everybody. Praise the Lord. What a day. Happy Friday. It's a good Friday today. W's in the chat on the way in here today. If you're excited, if you're ready to go, if you're ready to end this week on the strong note. Yeah, good to see you all here. What up, Gotta Trade? Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? What up, Louis G? It's good, Buzz Blab. It's good, Big Folk Red. DT Gamer in the house. Xander's in the building. LeGrand is here today, as always. What up, Rapid Max? Shout out to Rapid Max, won the giveaway. What up, Jelly? Jelly J in the building. I see you. Purpose Salim Perez. What up, what up? What up, Jonah J? Kelvin in the building. What's good, everybody? D-Boss. I see you, D-Boss. I see ya. Ewan in the building. What up, Ewan? What's good, y'all? Wags. What up, Wags? What's good, what's good? All right. What's up, Catherine? Good morning. Good morning. What up, Oscar James? What's good, what's good? What's good, what's good? What's good, TTE family? Stephen B, my boy. What up, players? What up, Stevie Mac? What up, Josh Jess? Big Max in the house. What up, Big Max? Let me just send this Zoom link here. All right, perfect. All right, Zoom link is out right now. And I think we are ready to roll. Yeah, we're good, we're good. How's the music? I think I should lower the music a little bit. All right, perfect. All right, Zoom link is out. We're good on that. Let me just move my chat over here. Let me pop my tools up, give it a little swiggle, make sure we're good to go. Move these over here. All right. Check, check, check. All right, Nick, minimize this and get it going. All right. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Friday to you guys. Z Gamer is in the building. What up, Z Gamer? Hope you guys are doing great today. Good morning, good afternoon to some of you guys, and to some of y'all, good evening. Good evening, man. About to go into the weekend. Damn. Damn. Wait up. Wait up. But yeah, anyways, let's get the day started here today. Today is Friday. It is the 15th of March. I'm gonna pray for you guys real quick, and then we are going to get the ball rolling. So let me pray for you guys on this lovely Friday. Father in heaven, Lord, I pray for your people today, Lord. I pray that you speak to them, that you bless them, Lord, that you just dwell within them, Lord. Let them know. I know there's so many people just going through so much, Lord, that they don't have to, Lord. Let them know that they can lean on you, Lord. Send them a sign today that they could walk in your strength, Father. We can't do this on our own. I mean, we'd be silly to think that we can do this on our own, Lord. So we fully depend on you, count on you. I pray for the people in attendance today, Lord, that you would bless them, bless their family, and fill them with the Spirit, Lord. We thank you for your presence, and we give you the glory here today. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Yeah, don't worry about it. You guys are going through things. It's all part of the plan to draw you more closer to your Creator. Receive it today, family. All right, let's roll, baby. Cool. Yeah, all right, I'm good. The stream is always better when it's blessed, and let's move forward here in this day. So let's go ahead and take a look. As you guys settle in here, if you guys can give the stream a like, that would be amazing. I would really appreciate that. If you're new here, sub to the channel and don't miss another stream. Promise you, we are just heating up. Don't miss another stream. This year is going to be one for the books, ladies and gentlemen. For the books. This is a year that you can look back on as a turning point in your life where everything changed, where you got around the right people, the right community. You started implementing the right habits. You started finally getting discipline and acting like a professional in your trading. And that's where everything turned for you. So I'm praying that over you guys, and I'm hoping that for you guys this year. Don't miss another stream. Like I said, we are just getting started. So let's go ahead and pop this day off here. Again, it is the 15th here of March. It is February. It is Friday, and it's the last day of the week. So last day of the week, we've done very well here this week at being professionals, at sticking to our game plan every single day, about running the playbook as it should be ran. Congratulations to you guys who have made it to Friday. You know, I know a lot of people make plans over the weekends, and you know they go ahead and stick to it on one Monday and Tuesday, and then eventually blow it, right? But shout out to you guys who have stuck with your game plan all week long. Doesn't matter where your P&L is. What matters is that you stuck to your plan. You stuck to the plans that you set out for over the weekend, and it should be a W week. So congrats to you guys, and don't blow it here. Don't blow it on Friday, right? Remain disciplined, remain professional here today. You still got this day ahead of you, so let's keep it classy, all right? W. So let's go ahead and take a look. Again, it is the 15th. It is Friday. We have some red folder news coming in here at 8:30, which is the Empire State Manufacturing. So that's going to be at 8:30 here today. That's the only red folder outside of the prelims coming in at 10 that we have to really consider staying away from during that opening of the candle. The 30-minute candle here at 8:30, and then the hour candle here at 10. Other than that, we have news, which is good, and it'll bring a lot of volume into the market. So we'll have a lot of flow here today. You should be good to see some nice volume moving throughout the session here today. So let's go ahead and open up the charts, and let's see what we got going on here on gold. So let's do a quick breakdown. You guys ready for a breakdown? Friendly reminder to like the stream if you haven't already. Give the stream a like here today, and let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. So let's start on the weekly here. So since today is Friday, it is the last day of the week. What do we see here on the weekly chart? So you have a support that was formed. Obviously, we've been moving up, right? We ended up closing. Let me get rid of this. Ended up closing above this level of resistance right here. With this candle, went up, filled the wick, broke the high, created all-time highs, new all-time highs, and now it doesn't look like we need some sort of a move down right before we can move back up. So I think this is the beginning of that move down. As you guys can see, there's a bearish candle here. Now again, we still have 9 hours, almost 10 hours left in this current candle here. So anything can happen. We can move up, break these highs, and begin to create all-time highs today here on the weekly chart. But there's also a chance that we do close bearish, creating a resistance at that point, right, for that pullback to begin to occur, where you could potentially see the next weekly candle drive down here as well, giving us some new ranges, and then kind of just searching for a support, you know, maybe coming down back into this area of resistance and then finding support somewhere down here for price to make somewhat of a higher low, right? You got a low, you got a high, you got a higher low potentially for price to continue moving up. So this is what the next couple of weeks could look like here on gold. Again, we also need that monthly candle to pull back, right, to leave a wick fill. So these candles here, these are going to be that, you know, leading into that new monthly candle, right? Because if this is weak, this is midway through, yeah, so it's the 15th, so we got what, 2 more weeks? So 2 more weeks become the pullback, and then you have a bottom wick on the new monthly, and then the rocket ship up, right, in like week 2 or 3 of April. So we'll see if that happens. We'll keep an eye on that. Just something to keep in the back of our mind as we approach the markets on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily though and see how we could play the game here today. So daily candles are printing sideways at this point, right? So you have a support here, you have a resistance here, you also have a resistance here, and then this is the range that you're currently trading in. So now you're beginning to, after this insane move up, we're beginning to run out of breath, right? You guys ever sprinted really hard? All of a sudden, you run out of breath, right? You need to catch your breath at that point. You got to slow down, hands on your head. Some of you guys lean over, put your hands on your knees, right? Catch your breath. That's what happens. That's what's happening here on gold. You had a crazy sprint up, and now we're being, you know, we're a little tired now. So we're currently consolidating on the daily time frame. You did close bearish here yesterday, so you did get a bearish close on yesterday's candle. We took sells yesterday. Everything worked out pretty well. Now you have this candle here, right? So if we break that low, we should come down and fill these wicks. And then will we close below this support here? We don't know that yet, right? You have a support here on gold, and if you can get a closure below, then I think Monday would be pretty pretty obvious that price will probably continue moving down, because we need to find that support somewhere, and we also need to move down based off of if we get a weekly closure closing bearish with a resistance, plus that monthly candle's got to pull back, right? So that could be, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week of just driving down here. So that's what we got going on the daily. We are bearish here based off the day. So let's go ahead and take a look at the lows breaking, the highs breaking. Let's see what these wicks represent here, because although they look just like wicks, right, on these higher time frames, these are supports, and very important supports and resistances on the lower time frames. So let's take a look, jump down to the 4 hour. So 4 hour has been moving up here, right? So the last couple 4 hours have been moving up. And what do these 4 hour candles represent here, right? You have this wick right here, right? And then you have a couple 4 hour candles moving up. So when we put candles and time frames together, what is this move? All this is the pullback here on yesterday's daily candle and the top wick that's been formed on today's candle. So if we do get this exhaustion wick now with this 4 hour closure, most likely you will see the next 4 hour candle begin to drive down here to retest resistance, right? That will also bring the daily candle down as well. So that is a opportunity for us, an idea for us here today. Let's go ahead and see what price looks like on the 1 hour. So 1 hour, you've got a support right here. Boom. You've also got a resistance right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that daily high. Okay, perfect. So this daily high, if we are going to take buys, we don't need range 2 buys. We've already got them at this point. If you re-break this daily high, also closing above this range here on the 1 hour time frame, then you've got a nice clean move coming up here. So let's go ahead and measure that. That's going to be about 51 pips there. And then below there is pretty decent too, with our daily bias that we have today, and the 4 hour rejecting now and re-breaking its own lows. I think there's a possibility that if you close below support here in, I would say, 48 minutes or potentially 18 minutes, then you should see a drive down, right? You should begin to see the daily candle now looking to flip bearish and break the lows here today. So let's go ahead and see what things are looking like on the 15 minute. 15 is not bad, man. If you get a closure below here, then there's an opportunity to come down and fill this range here. Let's see what that range looks like. It's like a 25 pip range. So potentially opportunities coming up here in just a bit. If not, if we can get the closure below at 8 a.m., which you got NY Open coming up, then I think that's going to be a good opportunity for us as well. So I'm going to leave price based off the hourly chart right now, and then we'll revisit things. Actually going to leave price off the 30-minute right now, and then we'll see how we look. We'll see how we look on the candle closures, but not too bad, right? If you can, there's no top wick on this candle just yet, so it wouldn't surprise me if this 15-minute didn't close below the range here, right? If we kind of pulled up and closed right at support, you can see that, being that there is no top wick just yet, but we'll see. Let's let some candles close here, and then yeah, see how we can approach this this trade here today. Cool. So that's going to be gold. Going to leave things right here on the 1 hour chart for right now. And then once we get volume coming in here at 8 a.m., then there should be an opportunity here for us. You may get a pack runner there at 8 a.m., which we typically see, to give this candle a top wick and then a break below. So we'll keep an eye out for that and see what we can do here. Buys above. Yeah, so off the hourly, this is pretty much no trade range here. All right, there may be something on the 15. I don't think I'll settle for a cheaper type of trade here today off the 15 before 8 a.m. But the hourly looks pretty good to begin to come on down here if we really want to move bearish here today. Music's loud. Let me lower it. My bad. Should be good now, right? Yeah, this song is just very loud. All right, cool. So yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much the day here for me on gold. You know, it's Friday. There's 41 seconds left in this 15. The 15 may drive down, but I don't think I'm gonna settle for it here at 7:15 a.m. I think most of the volume may have came in here at 6 a.m., 6:30, and into 7:15 here. So I'm gonna probably wait for NY Open, see if you get a 1 hour closure below. And then you've got a nice, honestly, targets here today are more so down towards like 2153. And with volume, you should be able to blow past this little minor support, which is like 25 pips away, and continue moving down here into these ranges. So you do have a solid 50 pip range here below price. There's these minor areas, but like I said, with volume coming in, typically those areas will get blasted, right? So yeah, that's what I'm going to look for here. And then there is a clean move up here on gold in terms of, I would say probably up towards here when it comes to the buys, right? This will be your partial TP spot, and then full TP probably be up somewhere up in this range here. Yeah, probably like right around these levels. Yeah. And that is the day. That's the day. So this is the easy part, which is marking up your charts, getting your analysis, making sure you got things in order. But now comes the hard part. And the hard part is waiting, right? Waiting for what you have already came to agreements on what is the highest potential here today. And now it's just about waiting for it. Literally, now it's just about waiting for things to play out in your favor. It's not about trading all day and trading all the time. It's just about setting up your charts, having them where you want them, where it's most logical, and then just waiting for price to come to you. It's the hunt now, right? The hunt. We see the food as young whippersnapper lions, and now we're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait in the high grass, and we're gonna begin to approach in a very quiet, composed way and position ourselves for the kill. Just like the lions do in the wild. What up, Dropout Trader? This good was good. Let's see if the 15 actually comes up and does a pack runner here. What up, TK? That guy TK's in the house. This good was good. Charts for stream? Yes. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, my friend. $7 a.m. fake out? Yeah, this one right here. Yes, this is like a 1 hour fake out here. Right here. Potential 1 hour fake out. That's why closures below here now in the 1 hour look pretty valid. This yeah, coming down, they look pretty good. Pretty good. My one concern is the top wick here. So maybe we can form that here on the 15-minute time frame, and then 8:15 or so have a closure below. Let's see, charts for stream. Let's take a look. Oh, GBP JPY. How you doing? How you doing? All right, let's take a look. Weekly is rejecting and is weak bearish. All right, daily was bullish, but now the body of the candles are becoming much smaller day by day, due to which volumes seem to be decreasing. Perfect. 30-minute booby trap. I'm assuming that's the celery play, right? Right? I think so. So took the trade. Oh yeah, I see it now. Booby trap. Yep. Yeah, no, nice. Absolutely. Stops kept above the highs. Partial TPs right here. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty much what I would have done too. Yeah, to fill that wick as well. I like how you have it just a pip or two above the wick, because we know that if we don't break the wick, we could reject that area. So W job there. Yeah, lovely. No, it looks good. Okay, oh, so you just moved stops here and then took profit here. Yeah, very, very good. I like it. You see how price was able to kind of push through these minor areas? What time was this? It's probably London session, right? I would assume. Yeah, no, good trade. GJ, eh? GJ. W trades you've been sending. Let's take a look at this one from AJ. So previous daily candle closed bearish. What is this? Gold? Yep, gold. Candle closed below. Oh, nice. Yeah, I would have took these sells too here. Okay, got hit at B. No worries. That's a good trade, man. Yeah, I like it. Good job at going break even there too. Most people wouldn't go break even there. They would have to get the whole move. But W. Yeah, I would have taken this trade too. Clean traffic. What time was this? Was this at London Open? Yeah, London Open. Nice. Yeah, good trade, AJ. W. I like this one. I bet a lot of people took this trade. This is a playbook position. Who else took it? Anyone? What's up with GJ everywhere? Oh yeah, you see? Also went B there. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's a good trade. Yeah, you would expect this to drive down. I'm not sure. You said this was like 10 pips, right? Yeah, I don't think I would have closed anything, especially for London Open. I probably would have closed something right. Oh yeah, look, TP1 here. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. W trade. Playbook position. W. Any more? You guys can, if you guys want, you guys can send trades in. If you guys took, you see how AJ labels it? This is exactly what I want to see, because then it makes it, I can understand what's going on here. So if you guys can, when you send charts, label them just like this, and that'd be perfect. We can go over them, talk about them, and see who else took it. See how we could have done better. See what we did good. Where was that? That was 3 a.m. right here. Yeah. Price wanted to come up, create a new fake out, it looks like. I took it, but I didn't secure my partials. Legrand took it too. Nice Legrand. Nice. Yep, beautiful. And you got to stick to your plan too, right? If your plan was to just trail stops, then you trail stops. If your plan was to go B, go B. As long as you followed the plan that you set out before the trade, it's all good. Yeah, you know, we do a lot of winning here, but I really want to encourage you guys, like, and tell you guys that it's not horrible to lose, right? Winning and losing, it's not what you want to look at, right, on any given trade. It's did you follow the plan? Did you stick to your guns on what you said you would do before the position? Or did maybe emotion come in play? Or did maybe you make an error? Like, it's more so about following the plan, because I was listening to Mike Bellafiore, who owns, or I don't know if he owns, but he's co-owner in SMB Capital. And like, you got to hear these guys, man. Like, everything we say, it just lines up with the way these guys that really run the game professionally do, right? So like, he was talking about how their interns, they come in and, you know, they may go 2 years without really seeing anything on the P&L, but the main thing that they're looking for, they're not going to say, hey, you know, you're not making money, you know, we don't want you here anymore. Like, they're more concerned is that guy like looking up data? Is he putting in the work? Is he doing all the things? Because the P&L will catch up, right? We all know that success is a lagging indicator, right? Money is a lagging indicator to success, because typically you got to do the work, right? Plant the seeds, work the fields, do the work as an entrepreneur, and then the money actually comes. So it's a lagging indicator, kind of like fruit on a tree, right? You plant the seed, you do the work, the tree, it's got to grow, and then eventually it bears that fruit. So no difference here, right? No different with us in our lives. It's all biblical as well. And same thing in your trading. The P&L will catch up. You know, it's just, hey, are you interested? Are you doing the deeper work, you know, that is going to basically set you up for the P&L to be in your favor? So that's all you really need to focus on a day-to-day basis. And then in the long run, you'll look back and you'll go, okay, look, we had a really good year. So like, focus on the process over the money right now, and then the money will eventually catch itself up. But if you're trying to chase the money OD, yeah, you may win today, but you know, will you win tomorrow? Did we take a trade yesterday? Yes. We took a trade yesterday at, what time was that, chat? 9:45. Yeah, 9:45. Louis G, a real top G. Top G. What up, Tono? Tono. Hey, if you guys give the stream a like here today, give the stream a like. Give the stream a like. Let me like the stream. Let me go ahead and like the stream. Yeah, there we go. What up, Chala? WWs. Where's Green at? Green, where you at? Is he lurking? Is he lurking? Hey, look, yo, Louis G. Me and Louis G are honestly on some crazy vibes, man. I don't know. That's like the third time that we have said something at the same exact time. Holy. Perez in the building, coming from all different accounts. Let's go. Hey, like the stream with every account, Perez. How'd you guys do yesterday? How you guys doing this week? Talk to me, chat. How you guys doing this week? You guys feeling good? Feeling good about March? You guys sticking to the plan? You guys, you know, you don't have to stick to my plan, but are you sticking to your plan? Are you staying disciplined in your trading? Or is it another week you're kind of just spinning around in that vicious, oh so vicious cycle that traders go through? Right? This crazy cycle that traders go through. Right? Where they either get spit out and gotta quit because it just breaks them, or you're gonna get spit out over here and turn to professionalism. Where you guys at? Following the plan? Not sticking to the plan? W week for me. 0 trades this week. Nice. Can I sell? Sure, why not? You could sell or buy, really. Going well. Beautiful Ewan. FOMO on crypto. Hey, yo. Good stuff, Xander. Follow my plan. Beautiful Chala. That's all that counts. Very good. Up 1.7% this month. Let's go. W. Only one stupid loss this week so far. Beautiful. Yeah, you know how you take like stupid losses every day at some point in your trading career, and then you start taking only 2 losses, 2 stupid losses, or 3 stupid losses, and then it goes to 1 stupid loss. And, you know, you're always going to kind of find yourself here and there taking a stupid loss, but it should begin to happen less and less and less and less and less. What's the best strategy? I think every strategy is the best. They all work. It's just how long will you work them? Because what happens is also you can come out, right? You can all of a sudden act like what happens in this area too is you can catch yourself almost getting out, but then you're doing really well. Let's say you show up to the TTE live streams and you're doing really good and you're almost out here. But then, you know, we take a couple losses, right? And you've been kind of putting the work to get almost out. And you go, I don't know if this guy's really got it. You know, I don't know if this strategy really works. So you go somewhere else, right? And you begin to strategy hop, and then boom, right back in this bubble you go. And then you start spinning around, and then you maybe find some traction with someone else or some other strategy, and you go, all right, man, this is looking really good. I think I'm going to make it out here today. And then you know what? They take a couple losses, and you're like, does that strategy really work? Is it really worth it? Should I go back to the TTE stream? Maybe I should figure something else out. Who else can maybe I buy a course from or a strategy from? And then, you know, you have to start all over again, right? You got to learn that strategy, go through the nuances. I'm here to encourage you, just as fast as you can, find a system, find an edge, and stick to it. Don't be soft, right? Take the losses that come with the edge, with the probability. You play a probability game, dude. Like, you're going to take losses, right? But eventually you can get yourself out of that, right? And onto this road. And then once you begin to get on this road, you've got to remain disciplined, right? Your voyage is over here, right? You want to become this professional trader. So once you finally make it out, you have to begin to do what professionals do. Otherwise, gang, you'll go right back in. You know, just because you're out, it doesn't mean you're safe, right? You have to continue to do the necessary actions that it takes to be a long-term professional trader. Long-term professional traders, money flows to them. These guys, they try and chase money, money just runs away, right? So eventually they're like, I can't catch it. I'm out. So focus on this, man. There's so many levels to the game. You know, if this is you that keeps going in and spinning your tires and spinning back around, you know, get it together, man. Get it together. I'm here to tell you it's not going to work. It will not work for you if you continue to do that. And I want to see it work for you, right? So you got to get out of this junk, right, eventually, and get on a path that can lead you to success and lead you to becoming a professional, because the pros are the only ones that get paid here. Straight up. Gamblers may get paid one day, 1 week, 1 month, but they don't get paid for 30, 40 years straight. So just encouraging you guys to quit it. Cut the nonsense. What up, AV Mike? Right? Find your edge. Find your edge in the market and just stick with it. Nice. Fire Blaster. W, break even week for me. Cool, cool. How you doing? What up, Jamil? Jamil. It's good, AB Mike. What up, mods? How y'all doing today? Shout out to all the mods here, chat. The OGs. W for the mods. What up, Anillo? Good morning. What up, Traders X? It's good, my man. Let's go. What up, Josh Jess? I don't know if I said hello to you yet, but what's good? Shout out to all the mods and Perez in the building. Let's get it. Yes, sir. We got to set up that mod squad trip. You know, how you doing? Where is Green? What's up with Green? Where you at? Yeah, 15-minute candle's getting very weak here. Probably sitting on NY Open. So, yeah, I think the hour close is going to be our best indicator here. I do like the way the 4-hour is moving. It broke the highs there. This just smells like rejection to me. And that very well could be the daily high, right? That could be the high on the daily. Right up here at 2172 for us to move down now. If we can't get positions due to the playbook not showing up or whatever the case is, no closures below, we just wait on this 4-hour close. And even if it drives down, it should leave a wick here today, right? So even if it drove down like that without us, it should come back to leave a wick, and then we can get entries right back up here where price is at now for something like this. Where's the Sleepy Joe, though? Hey, yo, Joe. Now the chat's calling him out. Holy. What up, the Don? Where's Joe? How are you, Professor? Hey, I'm doing fantastic. How are you, Muhammad? I'm a big fan of you, brother. Big fan of you. Where is Joe? TK is that guy? TK's that guy. TK. Me and TK go back and forth on some funny text messages. He was wondering where the sun was at yesterday. Told him, man, I was like, it's right here. Right here in Florida, but hey, don't sleep on that that Walmart wrench, man. Finally a time change so I could join the oh, nice. Yeah, some of you guys, does this time work a lot better for you guys? I like this time better too. Yeah, we changed the clocks back here in the US. I like this time better. Sun stays out later too now, so it's perfect. Hey, Kelvin, appreciate you, brother. We're grateful to have you here, man. You've been a great addition to the family, and I love seeing you here every day, bro. What up, PM Magnifico? My dude. TK thought he was late. Man ain't never late. What's up, Nigel? Yeah, you guys like this time better? Yeah, me too. Lost 6K on crypto. Awesome. The key right there is your learning. You know, sometimes learning costs. You know, it's an investment to learn. So sometimes, you know, my mentor would always tell me, man, when you fail, just fail forward, right? So you lost $6,000. That could be considered a failure or a loss, but really it's not. You know, I don't know how old you are, but I'm sure you have plenty of life to live, and it's just a lesson that you can tuck into your holster. You know what I mean? Like, you have another weapon in there now, some more experience, and that way you have like wisdom when it comes to your next investments in crypto. Nice. Mental discipline. Yeah, that's beautiful. Being patient. Let's go. Nice. Paperboy. Paperboy 2. I dig it. Where's Paperboy 1? Where's Paperboy 1? Yo, the Don. Chill, bro. Chill. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. How you doing? Yo, we be walking into places now. Ask TK. We be walking into places like, hey, nobody move. Nobody get clipped. Let me get the chicken parmesan. Yo, sorry. Some people don't even know what we're talking about. Hey, chat. I was listening to an interview. Listen to me, man. If this
Trade
guy right
futures
here,
on the go with
this guy made $6 million in one day. This guy made 17 million in the month. If he can do it, so can you. Come on. Come on, chat. Yeah. Hey, you guys want a really good YouTube channel to study real traders? Come over here. Humble Trade with no E, I guess. Yeah. Take a look at some of these podcasts. These guys are legends. Legends. Yeah, so a lot of times when I'm listening to mentality when it comes to trading, I'm listening to these guys a lot. Yeah, check this pod out. Damn, she got 1.2. Wow. Killing it. Stream's rubbing off. What time frame am I on? I am currently sitting on the 1 hour chart here. It's the 1 hour time frame. 15 minutes slowing up here. You guys see how that's kind of beginning to die out, fade out a bit. So yeah, if we can, I'm gonna wait here for the 1 hour close and see where we're at. Because right now this basically becomes a no trade range. Right, it's just up and down here. It's not that big of a range either. 40 pips. Paperboy. Good morning, Nick. Hey, what's up, brother? Did we change the time? No, the time changed for us. So we didn't change the time. The time changed for us. "26 years old, totally agree." Yeah, let's go, Paperboy 2. Let's get it. 26. Good job, man. You lost 6K in crypto. Awesome work, brother. Got some experience under your belt. Time to move. I know most people are not going to say, hey, you lost 6 grand. Amazing. But I'm going to tell you, fantastic job, my friend. Way to pull the trigger. Way to get a lesson under your belt. It's just going to equip you for later investments, bro. TK had the paper out. Oh, okay. Paperboy 1 was losing 6. Oh, okay. Oh, man. Born again. New creation. Let's go. Paperboy 2. Broke out of the shell. Damn, who's a Paperboy back in the day? Ribeyes for the win. You're right, Arnie. You caught me slipping. What am I talking about? That's because we're talking about Little Mo. Little Mo don't be eating no ribeyes. What's up with that guy, man? Little Mo Mozzarella, how you doing? For those of you guys that don't know, this is the guy we're talking about right here. How you doing? Yeah, this dude's hilarious. Oh, he was on a podcast. Forgot about that. That's probably actually pretty funny. He might, I don't know, he might curse in this. I know some of y'all got the kids watching, so we'll let it go. Search it up yourself. Little Mo Mozzarella. Little Mo. Nobody move. Yeah, man, what's up with that dude? No ribeyes? He needs to start going to steakhouses. I heard he was trying to get in good shape, too. I'm the original Don Dada.
I'm the original Don Dada. And you don't.
Oh, man. There he is.
And you don't.
And you do. Yeah, TK was out there hustling. Yeah, my first entrepreneur gig was me and my cousin. He's the one that started it. I was probably like 8 and he was probably like maybe 11 or 12. And we started this business. We called it the Green Thumb Guys, and we would go around. I lived in this little trailer park at that time, and we would go around and cut people's lawn. Yeah, I would do the weed whacking, and he would do the mowing. That was my first entrepreneur endeavor. Get the papers, get the papers. When I use the ruler, what numbers? So if you're using the ruler right now to, let's say, measure this candle here. So right now down to the wick, let's say, right here, is 29 pips. So I know it says 295, but it's 29. So you're going to look at the first two numbers. Or let's say it's 30 right now. You're going to look at these two numbers right there. Oh, of course, I picked the red one. These two right there. That number right there, you're looking at the first two digits. Gotta take a little more of the mozzarella. Yep.
How you doing?
Yeah, we'll have him. Yeah, we'll see if he wants to pull up for dinner. There's Green. My man. The original Don Dada.
I'm the original Dandara. How you doing?
Oh, man. Let the plate come to you. Yes, sir. You got a Little Mo steakhouse in Miami? No. Oh, we gotta take Little Mo. Yeah, we gotta bring him to a steakhouse, man. What's he doing? What's he doing? All this guy wants to eat is pasta. Pasta. How you doing, man? We gotta get him a nice juicy steak for that dude. What up, OGH? What up, my boy? Green in the house. Taking the Kiki's. Oh, yo, he would love Kiki's, bro. Damn. He would love Kiki's. Yeah, John Stu check. I don't see him. Joe Stu check. I don't see him. Where they at, though? Where they at, though? What up, Swifty? I don't know, man. Joey Stu check. Sam Capital, where's he at? I don't know. I don't know. They should be coming up soon. Oh, Sam Capital check. London was weird today. London did look pretty weird today. I would expect the price to sell off there. They're in London, especially with that closure below. Some of the guys took this trade, hit B, I believe. Yeah. So forget about like this stuff here. You would expect price to make its way down, but it looks like we wanted to come up and make a steeper top wick. Yeah, those of you guys who took that trade in London, that was a good trade. Good trade. I'm the original. What up, Breezy Beats? How you doing? Sheba bleeding. Right now that alarm's going off. It's like beep, 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 beep. Oh man. They don't live that far from me either. I should go run over there. Bang down the door. Yeah, my mom's flying in later this month, or actually in like next week, I believe. Yeah, next week. So probably do some things together with the boys. Close that negative 1.1%. Okay, you took that too. Yeah, honestly, that was a good playbook trade, especially on a bearish day. After this big engulfing candle with no top wick, then a resistance formed. That was a good trade. Especially, yeah, I think it was like, yeah, 30 had resistance 2 there. Was that at 3? No, that was at 2. Yeah, 30 had resistance 2 there at 3. So you guys like yellow lines here? or not? For targets, I don't know how I like it. I don't know. Looks weird. Yeah, you guys do like it? Yeah? Alright, cool. We'll keep it then. Where in Florida? I'm in Tampa. Tampa. FBI. Late for work again. What up, Max? What's good? What up, Pablo? Good to see you, brother. Happy Friday. What's good? Pablo. Oh yeah, let's take a look at Nas here too. Let's do a quick breakdown here on the Nasdaq. So, looking at Nas, you got this resistance formed. We're in this very strong bullish run here. So we're trying to break down, but you know we create a resistance. You've got support. So we're kind of in this. Oh, let me get rid of the black. Kind of in this range here at this point, right? Where you got resistance, you got support. Prices has rejected here. See how all the lows are being respected now. So price isn't able to really break lows here. This is the last day of the week, right? So there's 9 hours left on this weekly chart. So let's go ahead and see what the daily looked like closure. Yeah, daily closed yesterday. So we're just ranging at this point on the daily time frame. See this range is just moving sideways, not too much action going on. It doesn't look like you're gonna be able to break below these wicks, but if you do, then there should be a nice move down. Let's go ahead and see what the 4 hour looks like. 4 hours been bullish. You have a resistance here. You also have support. So let's go see what, see there's a couple wicks here. Let's see what they represent on the 1 hour. So yeah, nice resistance here. You did get a closure above that. Let's see, there's more wicks, right? So this might be a resistance here on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, just a little bit above there, and that's where you rejected. So yeah, I think buys are decent if you especially if you get a support now. That's going to be your range 2 for the buy. And then I would say sells look pretty clean. Let me see the 15. There's not much price action right here. But this is a pretty good size range here. Yeah, so I think sells wouldn't be too bad below these ranges. Somewhere below here will work out pretty good. Yeah, not bad for price to come back down. You got a clean range coming down there. Plus, again, you are bearish on the day. I want to see how the 4 hour candle closes first. So once that 4 hour candle closes, that'll kind of give me an idea. As you can see, we're beginning to approach this nasty range, right? If you look left, it just gets very choppy in here. So we're in that range currently. If you look left, it's also very choppy. A lot of wicks here as well. So I think if you can wait on clean price action, it's going to be below this area here. Nice clean range down there. Same thing above. Nice clean range above. And then that's typically going to be where you want to take your positions. So no trade range. No bueno. And then things look good above 18,088, and then things look pretty good below 18,050 for Nasdaq. So yeah, so that's what NAS looks like here. I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good price action. There's no price action currently where we are, so that's all we have to work with. But you do have a nice clean range coming down here. And then you do have a nice range moving up as well. So that is what I'm going to look for. Yeah, when we close below there, we tend to drive down the majority of times too, so just wait on it. So yeah, sells below here. Buys above here. Closures. Need closures. But anyway, back to gold here. So, okay, so we are beginning to break below now with 3 minutes left on this New York open, or until the New York Open. So yeah, you got a 30-minute support. So we need, if we do get a closure below, I'm looking to see a pretty steep top wick. I would say at least coming up towards this range here. So you close below, you get a steep top wick, and then I'll have sell stops here. Yeah. We want to leave a wick though. We really want to leave a wick. We don't want this candle to close with no bottom wick.
You don't.
How you doing? So 1 minute, 2 minutes left. Hey, yo, Nightbot. Okay, I see you. I'm the original Don Dog. All right, cool. So it looks like we're gonna close in 1 minute. If we can leave a wick, that'd be excellent. Don't want to close here with no bottom wick. If we could push down a little bit further too and then pull back, that'd be great. Yo. What up, everybody? We do have some news coming in here at 8:30, so that's also, we have a red folder here. Let's go back. We got this red folder here coming out at 8:30, so we got to be aware of that as well today. With that news coming in, I don't think the 1 hour will close below either, but we'll see. Yeah, oh yeah, this is the 1 hour here. See how it's pulling back a bit? Closure in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No closure below, no entry. I don't even gotta think anymore. I don't have to think. I remember when that used to be so hard for me. I used to watch these guys on the stream, be like, nah, no trade. No trade, man. Literally no trade. So off to wait now for this 30 closure below when it comes to news coming out here. See how easy that is? No trade. Once I see that closure, and you guys got to be like, ah, you're holding your hand back right now. Just don't tie it up. Handcuff it to the chair. Cuff it to the chair, man. Futures, nice. Hey, nice. Got funded with top one. I mean, top step. Nice. That's dope. I have a few friends. I have a few friends that are working with Top Step too. They're enjoying it. I'm really enjoying futures, gang. I mean, it's the same thing, but I'm just really enjoying like the new like outlook, and just not really having to worry too much about spreads and slippages and all that stuff, and unregulated brokers and all that good stuff. Feels good. What up, Angelo? Top of the morning to you. Hey, GVO, I like that. Good vibes only. Brax in the building. How you doing? Hey, Brax.
How you doing?
Rafi's in the house. What up, Rafi? Good morning. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Rafi's living in the future. He said no short. All right. Buy. NAS2. Yeah, we got news coming out here on the dollar too, so don't even stress it, chat. Don't even stress it. Rafi.
How you doing?
What up, Maiko? What up, Energy? Energy's in the house. Bring in the energy. Sandman.
How you doing?
Do I consider yesterday's 11 p.m. gold 1 hour celery as a range 2? I think I know what you're talking about. And no, I don't think that was a range 2 yet. 1 hour, right? Wait, what was it again? Nah, I think I was looking at that. I don't think the range 2. This is NAS. That's why right here, right? Kingston. Yeah. Oh, look at this drive down here before news now. Yeah, I think this would have been the buy I would have took here. Cuz here I still needed a range 2. Yeah, cuz this is like this would have been your first range. So wouldn't have taken the buy, so wouldn't have been a part of any of that, right? That move up there. But now you got a new support, so I probably would have took my buy on this candle right here. Yeah, sometimes the celery will act as the range too. It's just about collecting enough data on it for you guys to really be confident in it. What time was that? 11 p.m. too. So yeah, I probably would have never taken that. Probably would have never taken that one. But yeah, I don't think that was a range 2 just yet. NY Open bringing some heat. What it do, Sam, man? Give me 1 sec, chat. I will be right back in 1 minute. Oh wow, did it close below in the futures chart? Let me check. Yeah, maybe slightly. Yup. Yeah. Yup. Oh wow, yeah. 30 was good too there. Yeah, it might have closed below slightly. Hey, yo, Big Wick Energy in the house. Yo, nice office, dude. Yeah, what you may see on this red folder, like if this candle can come up and close like around here, you may see a top wick that breaks the high, and then if it does, we'll enter on the flip or the re-break of the lows. I've seen this happen quite a bit, especially this candle not having a top wick. So if we pump up there with news and then we come back down, then that's going to be probably the continued move down to tap into 58 there. News. Free Rafi? Rafi's in Zoom already? Let's see. Hold on. Yes, he is here. He is in the Zoom. Let's get him up. He's the first man here today. What's up, Rafi? You all ready to hit the stage?
Yo,
What
my
up,
brother.
Rafi?
What's going on, bro?
How are you, my man?
I'm doing fantastic, bro.
Yeah.
What's going on, chat? How's everybody feeling today?
You're what's going
Man.
on? Chilling with the Bali boys. I see you. Hanging
Yeah,
out.
we were just talking a little money talk. You know, it doesn't hurt nobody.
Little moolah talk.
You know,
With
it's
the Bali
always needed.
boys.
Yeah, absolutely. Bunch of traders too.
Making that big money, not spending none of it in Bali.
You know, actually, you want to
good.
support the people out here, bro. That's they're just so loving, man.
Yeah. No,
And they
sick.
say there's a saying like, if the land gives you, you gotta give it back to the land. So, yeah,
I dig it.
we try to meet up and tip. There's a lot of people that don't tip, so it's good, you know, to give it a little extra.
Oh yeah, yeah, you got to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember when my mentor first told me about the $100 tip club, man. Just everywhere you go, get into a point in life where you can just, no matter what, whether it's a cup of coffee or a big old dinner, just $100 tip.
Yeah, man, and then it's just like when you give a tip to these people, you know, it's like not a lot of them expect it because some other countries don't tip, and it's like you can see how their eyes light up. You know, it's like, bro, like that's just everything. Like just being able to give to that level, you know.
Yep, 100%. Yeah, it's a good feeling.
Yeah. How's everything out there for you, bro? Everything good?
Fantastic. Weather's been beautiful. Couldn't
Nice.
ask for yeah, man. Basically back into summer vibes now. We had we had winter for like probably 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks of like December, and then maybe the first 2 weeks of January, and then spring came along last couple weeks of January and February, and now in March we're back in like summertime.
Love that.
Yeah.
Love it. Yeah, we're still, bro, I think like our rainy season is delayed. So it's been kind of raining here almost every day.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Today was beautiful. Like it rained early. So the sun came out like around 5. So yeah, we went for early for dinner.
Nice.
Little sunset. That was
Nice,
good.
nice. Sunset dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds lovely. Sounds lovely. Rafi's in the chat. So, like, what's up nowadays?
Yo, how is Chala
what's up?
doing, bro?
Chala, where are you?
Chala, how you doing, bro?
Hey, yo, Chala.
How you doing?
How you doing?
We hop on that call. You remember, Nick?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, I wanna.
How'd it
I've
go?
been busy, bro. Like, I don't know. I haven't talked to him much. Oh, he's killing it. Lovely. Love to hear that.
Chala. Yeah, remember what I said here earlier today, chat, right? We got news coming in, so that you may get a move through here, but remember, the 4-hour may pull back and leave that wick fill too for us. So we have news coming up here in like 15 minutes, so we're gonna have to wait for that. Or I am going to have to wait for that. You guys can do your thing. Pull up Chala to the stream. Chala.
The next bootcamp is gonna be in Spanish.
Let's go.
You're gonna see Nick actually dropping his real Spanish.
I'm keeping it from you guys right now.
You'll see Nick listening to Dembo whenever he gets off the stream.
What's this? Speaking Spanish. Hold on one sec. I just gotta do something real quick. All right. Yeah, so 15 closed here. So, I'm going to wait for news to come out and then see how we act, right? Because this candle can easily pull back and close below for us, and then we have an actual closure. Like, you guys remember yesterday how we did not have a closure, right? Remember this yesterday? You had a pretty strong support level right here. This candle did not close below, therefore I did not take a position. What happened next? Candle moved up. And then what happened? As we waited, right? We let this whole thing go as disciplined traders, waiting for our edge. This was all news here. Price came back up, closed above, no trade, right? Price broke down, then broke up, then closed bullish above, no trade. Then price finally closed below here, right? And then that was our trade right here on this candle. So just hang tight. Just be patient. Patience pays, my friend. Patience pays. Right? Could have got all bummed out, cried over this. Oh my god. I didn't know. We missed a move. Right? And then a lot of you guys I know took buys here, I'm sure, right? When the 30-minute candle closed above. But look, you had a resistance right here yesterday. So you couldn't take those buys either. Right? Look at this. Yesterday when we came down, we knew exactly what we wanted, and we wanted a closure below here. We never got that, and then you can't take buys there either because they're, like you have to pay attention to the markets, right? So there's a resistance sitting right there. That's why you ended up rejecting that area on the 15 as well, and then look, you close back below now. Right, and then price was good to do what? To come right down into that zone. That was exactly where we were anticipating price to go, and it drove down. So you got to be very aware of what's happening, and if it's not your move, it's just a move, right? Look, the markets are moving all over here, man. right? You can't expect to be in all these candles, all these trades, right? You got to wait on your move. So this is a move for sure. But where my move came into play wasn't until this candle closed, and then we took this trade right here on that candle, right? You got clean traffic to the left. So you don't want to take any, trades that don't fit your plan. It's just get it out of your head. Just no plan, no trades that don't fit the plan. Hola, hola. There is no high impact news. Oh, we got 2 red folders here today. You got red folder here at 8:30, and then you got a red folder here at 10 a.m. This is good though. If we could pull back and then actually break the highs here, that would be great. All right, pull back up and come back towards like 65, 500-ish, and then break the high with news and then come back down. That'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. Right, no FOMO after Rafi's talk. You see the move come down.
Who's having FOMO?
Yeah, I think yesterday some people had some FOMO. That
shouldn't be a thing. Really?
Probably, especially with this. And then with this candle closing bullish was the one that was trying to really throw traders off here. Because didn't it look so good for price to go up? That was at 932. Yeah, it looked lovely. How did you take the grid off the back of your chart? I don't know. I think there's a setting for it, right? Grid?
Yeah.
Grid lines.
Canvas?
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys want this is all I have really. Green bodies, red bodies. And these are like gray. You see my wicks? They're like gray. Let me see what they look like white. White's actually not that bad either. Let me see. Yeah, that actually looks pretty flat. A little bit too white maybe. That ain't that bad. I think I like that. What do you guys like better? The bullish wicks right now or the bearish ones? The bull ones you can see a little bit better. I'm having JOMO, baby. Let's go. Don't worry, it's coming right back up for us. Oh, look at this right back. There you go. 15-minute coming back up here. So we'll see how the 30 closes in 8 minutes. You got news. Ideally, if we could break the highs and then like flip bearish, then there's a wick fill here for us. Been messing up my sleep. Slept hardly 4 or 5 hours. Pray while you're going to sleep.
Yeah.
Remember we were talking about that the other day?
What's going on over there?
Yeah, we were talking about that the other day about like getting into that meditative prayer state while you're sleeping. No lie, every single night when I hit the pillow, I literally like, thank you, Lord. Thank you for a good day. And I just start rambling off stuff like about the day and literally just fall asleep. Yeah, I don't know. It just works. I mean, it's a state of meditation.
Facts.
Deep breaths too. I like getting so like, is it oxygenated a term? I like filling up with oxygen, man. Nice breath work. No food before bed, and just no food, no water really, because I don't want my sleep to be ruined by me having to get up and go to the bathroom and stuff like that. So I think that helps me. I don't know. What would you recommend?
Yeah, the thing is, like, you want to be able to, like, bro, like, once you understand this, like, nothing gets on the way. We are vibrating at a beta frequency, and what you want to do is to get to alpha, then to theta. That's how you're going to get your body relaxed and your mind relaxed. So when you think, you are constantly in beta. So you need to stop thinking and actually focus on relaxing the body. So for example, like for the people that were at the bootcamp, the box breathing is a very, very powerful tool that you can do in order to relax. So you just take a breath, you hold it, you let it go, you hold it, take a breath, you hold it. And yeah, you're gonna feel that your body stays relaxed. And then after that, you just let the body go. It's just learning how to drop your brain wave from beta to alpha. Once you get into alpha, it's a lot easier to get into theta.
Yeah, I dig it. Dig it. I was disciplined for 15 days not to do over trading. One day I broke the rule. What to do with it? First of all, pat yourself on the back for going 15 days, right? That's number one. You should be proud of that, especially if you were doing it more than that before. And I think it's just about self-awareness and really just understanding, okay, look, I'm about to overtrade right now. Like, and typically that's going to happen after a loss, right? Because you want to try and get your loss back. So you have to begin to get the money thing out of the way. You know, a lot of times we're overtrading or taking unnecessary trades because we're thinking about money and dollars and making money this day and that day. So if you can begin to get that out of the way and just focus on being process system and very systematic in your approach to the markets, then what will happen is when you take that loss, you can tell yourself, hey, this is typically where I'm going to begin to overtrade. So let me not do that, right? Awareness is number one. Let me understand that that can take over me right now. So walk away from the charts, do what you have to do. Understand that the only way you take another trade is if a playbook position shows up. And if it does, give it a swing. If you feel like you can't give it a swing, and if you take it a loss, you'll, begin to revenge trade that one, then just take your loss and move about your day. Yeah, a good loss is better than a bad win. So if you take a nice playbook position according to your plan and take a loss, there's really no big deal. The big deal happens when you begin to try and get the loss back. And most of the time we get the loss back and you go, whoa, that was easy. Let me see if I can get profitable today. I'm back to break even. Had it not been for that loss, I would have been profitable. Let me look for one more trade. And then you forward something else and now you're back and you're like, nah, no way I'm ending this day. I was back to break even. No way I'm ending it in negative now. And then that's where the horror movie begins. And for the next 45 minutes, you go somewhere else and your body just trade. And then you snap out of it like in 25, 45 minutes. You're like, what did I just do? What just happened? Oh, just came back from a 3-mile power walk. Let's go. Let's go, Tom. Good stuff. Yeah, I like to do that too. I like to set my intentions. I like to go on a walk early morning. It's dark out here. It's still in the morning now. And just set my intentions up for the day, right? Get grounded on what I want to do today, who I want to be today, and what's out in front of me. You saying it out loud or closing your eyes? Yeah, I just close and telling it to your mind. Yes, exactly. Yeah, I don't say it out loud. Just in my head. Any tips to make a diary? Yeah, my you know, my journal, I like to so I like to start with like 5 things I'm grateful for. Boom, boom, boom. And then I write my goal as if it is already. I'm so happy and grateful now that dot 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 dot. Right? And then what I like to do is I like to write a whole paragraph on what it's gonna feel like once that goal is hit, like what I'm doing with that lifestyle or that money or whatever it is, right? How life will be, what I got, what I, you know, what I just got from my wife or what we're doing or, you know, so I just live in it, right? I write down, man, it feels so good now to dot 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 dot, right? And to be able to dot 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 dot, right? And then you live within that feeling. And as I look back at my old journals, chat, I am legit living everything I wrote down from 3 years ago. It's insane. Insane. A pill I could take? Nope. You want to avoid pills at all costs. You want to use the mind, man. The mind is a powerful thing. It doesn't need a pill.
Man, we're creating on a regular basis, you know. It is very easy to think negatively because that's the default of the brain to keep us safe, you know. So when we're facing fears and doubts, and that's normal because the brain doesn't want us to fail. But when you start actually shifting that for the things that you actually want and want to create, the mind will have no choice but make work what you are focusing on, because whatever you put your energy on, that's where you're going to start manifesting, right? So if we stop thinking negatively, which is hard because it's the default of the brain, but when we put that conscious effort to shift a negative thought or even negative word into a positive and start focusing on that, yeah, like those things that you want will come into your life. Like me being here in Bali, I dreamt of that for so long.
Oh yeah.
For like 2 years. We talked about it. Like I looked at pictures, bro, like from before I even came here. Actually, this happened like last month. I was cleaning my phone and I remember I got this picture from somewhere. And the craziest thing is that I took a picture in the same road that before I even came here, I didn't even know. Like I just saw that picture online and I like saved it and I put it on my collage. And then I looked at the picture and then I kept scrolling and I saw the picture that I took of myself in that same place 2 years later. Sheesh. I was like, bro, this is freaky, crazy. And I didn't even mean it.
Sheesh. Yeah, we got red numbers here on gold, so price should continue down at this point. Yeah, you kind of got a 15-minute celery here too. I think price can begin to rip down after we break these lows, but we may there's a high possibility we come back up first. Yeah, we got green numbers here, or red numbers here on the Empire Manufacturing Index. Yeah, and then this came out pretty much what they forecasted. What up, Grind Time Mufasa? Sam Capital. He's driving. He's crazy behind the wheel, too. Don't watch the stream and drive, Sam. Texting and driving. Pro driver, bro. Sam don't play.
Is Sam using his headphones? The headphones just break all of a sudden.
His headset. Yeah, stops are a little too steep for me here at this point. Like 56, 60 pips here. So we're also going to have a pullback here on the 4 hour, I'm sure. And 9.15 may be the play here, because I have a feeling we need to come back up. Plus, we need to come back up for a pullback, and we need to come back up for a top wick. And then I think you'll get the residue from news to continue driving price down on the 4 hour close. But we may just bleed here too. So that's also up for grabs. So, but I'm going to wait here. It's voice text, man. Voice text. Where's John at? I don't know. John must be sleeping. Sleep stops. Sleep stops activated. The alarm's still going off. He's like, oh damn, it's 8:30 already? What up, Susanna?
How you doing?
How you doing? What happens to gold when the dollar goes down? Typically, when the dollar goes down, gold will most likely go up. Because you're trading gold versus the dollar here. Thought that was funny, Green?
Yo, so like I got here, I'm just gonna bring this up because I feel like maybe somebody can benefit from this. For example, like Dropout Trader, he's talking about you know, you have a routine and then it happens like between a week or two. A lot of people just follow from the routine. And you know, one of the things that you want to start thinking about is not the routine itself, it's the main driver of the reason why you want to make a change. Because if you're just having a routine based out of I just want to have a routine, the subconscious is going to try to jeopardize that change. Okay, so we need to truly understand what is it that we want to accomplish and what we want to change. Because once you know what the change and what you're after, now you're going to truly find what your main driver is. When you have that driver, now that's going to be your main purpose. So now this routine thing that you have, now it has a purpose behind it. So we need to understand that. We need to make sure that if you are going to have a routine, why are you meditating every morning, for example? I have a drive. I have something that keeps me up to do my meditation first thing in the morning, okay? Why are you going to the gym every day? That's your routine. Before you do something, you got to go to the gym, right? So like that's part of it. So you want to make sure that you find what is your main driver here. What drives you to do that? Once you find that, the routine just becomes a purpose. It becomes something that you do in order to change.
Yep. Yeah, otherwise you ain't going to do it. Like, you're not going to do it consistently, especially through failure. And then you're definitely not going to do it if you don't know why.
Exactly.
You know? And obviously you're going to be met with temporary defeat no matter where you're going. So that's a given. So if you don't know why you're doing it, then why would you do it? You know,
I always remember, you know, like the ego likes to negotiate, you know, so you're going to have to give something in order to make a change. So, you know, for example, like let's say you want to change how you eat, right? You want to start eating healthier. So you're not going to cut ice cream and start eating healthy all of a sudden, right? You're going to cut it down to maybe once a week ice cream, but now you're gonna start eating healthy. Now you're negotiating because you know that the ego wants the sugar, but you're not gonna remove it completely all the way, because we need to start making that change slowly. Once you see that I don't need it this week, yeah, you've cut it for the rest of the week. Now it's a lot easier. But when you're gonna make a change all of a sudden just to cut it like that, yeah, you might for 4 or 5 days, but then you're gonna go back to your old pattern. That's normal. So it is important for us to understand what is my main drive here and what is the change that I want to see and want to make. Once you find that, then you negotiate with the ego, and then that's when, bro, like, changes are not gonna happen overnight. They take time because it's like you are literally rewiring a pattern, and this pattern have probably been there for years. So
Yeah.
in order for you to change something like that, you need to give it time and be patient.
Yep. And you can't beat yourself up either. If you've been doing something for 15 years, you can, and you don't cold turkey it, it's not that big of a deal. Let it, like Rafi said, I love that, like slim it down, If it was 5 days a week, go to 3 days a week. 3 days a week, go to 2 days a week. Then go to 1 day a week. And then eventually you'll probably cut it off. Eventually you'll sit there and be like, why am I doing this? Or you'll be like, you know what, I need to do it, right? I need to have a little snack or something once a week to keep me on my game all throughout the week. And then it's a benefit at that point. It actually is helping you versus hurting you.
Yeah.
Ego. All right, Goldie. Yeah, so actually we got red numbers, didn't we? We got red numbers on the dollar, so we got mixed emotions here. Price is moving down. Numbers came out red, so we'll see. You didn't get much of a push. I mean, this is your push here on news, so it's nothing too crazy. Like literally like 26 pips. Gold bopping. What up, the groomsmith? Yeah, yo, grind time Mufasa. I 100% agree, and can 100% see it in me too, man. Gotta seek first and stay on that routine. I agree. Oh, look, we're right back into where we took our trade yesterday. Right? Right here. We're back in the area. I think the daily's going to break the lows here. Yeah, here come the daily lows now. So look, so that was our top wick, right? So we had that perfect. Those 4-hour candles came up to create top wick. And now we drew this all out this morning, right? We understand that this could potentially happen without us. Remember, we said if we don't get any playbook setups, we'll let it go, and we'll see if it can pull back for us. So that's what we did. We never got an hour close, so we were never in this candle. We got a 30 close below here, but nothing too special. Plus, this is a news candle, so we don't very rarely, if ever, take news trades. And that's it. We're still waiting, right? So if we can pull back and leave a wick here for the 4-hour like we discussed this morning, then we could potentially refill the range. If not, we'll see where price wants to go in the lower time frames here and within the next like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Daily is flipping though, about to break the lows, so looking good. Yeah, if the 4 hour can pull back now, that'd be great. See how this 4 hour candle moved down and then pulled back, closed below. The next one drove down as well. Same thing here. You had a 4 hour close below. Next candle drove down. So that's what you could expect. As long as this 4 hour closes below 2166 for 30, then you could expect the same thing to happen. AB Mike coming to the US. Let's go. One hour later. Yeah, let's see about NAS too. NAS, this is all news here too, so everything is on point. We just had news here at 8:30. News came right in time. I think you got closures on NAS. Yeah, so if we didn't have news here, I'd be in this trade. And same thing with gold. We may, yeah, probably would have been in the 15-minute move over anything. But yeah, we're approaching the last 15 of the 4 hour. This is typically where you're gonna get the 4 hour to begin to pull back. So let's see if we can pull back, close somewhere below these ranges here, and then we'll should be good to continue down. Just like this time. Just like this time. Could see the same thing here. Later. Man down, man down. Should we get Uncle Scalp to guest appear on a Friday? Yo, come give us a guest appearance, bro. Man down. We got a bleeder. Why was that kid so funny, dude? Everything he said was funny. Lock the credit cards. Scalpy be like, yo, just put your whole bank account on this move right here. Come on. Whole bank account on news. Max it out. Yeah, he's chilling. He's still chilling. He's doing some other stuff now. Trading ain't for everyone. I'll tell you that. Trading ain't for everyone. And that's okay. Yeah, you also got clean range below. So this has been a 4 hour support that we have not been able to crack in a while. So if you can actually close below here too, then there's opportunities coming down here. Because, you know, when we talk about ranges, right now, where are we? We're at the bottom of the range, right? So we don't want to take a sell right here, right? We want to either see a pullback or we want to see a closure below. We want to be at the top of a range if we're going to take sells here. So see how this candle closed at the top of the range? You had the whole range. This candle a little bit like halfway down, but that would still work out. But when you're way down here, you know, you don't want to. At that point, remember yesterday we drew out the position. We said, you know, if we can do this and, you know, then close below, then we could take a trade. That's what you have to wait for. If you close at the bottom of a range, you want to wait for some sort of new resistance and then a new closure, an actual closure below. And now you've got the freedom to take your playbook position here, coming down right into these ranges down here. Yeah, we drew that out yesterday, and we got that yesterday. So we'll see what's good with the 1 hour here. Great job though by this 1 hour candle. How's Kingston? He's amazing, man. He's getting big. You know, he's out of that like whiny stage where it's like just like a new infant, and they're just like, what the hell's going on? Where am I? What the hell? How did I land here? You know what I mean? And now he's like getting familiar with us and our faces and, you know, all that good stuff. Yeah, man, kids are legit. Like when we're born, we're going through insane trauma. Like, how did we get here? Like, what just happened? Like, who am I? Who are these people? What are people? Yeah, thanks for asking, bro. Buenos dias, my friend. Let's go. It's good. Can we look at Bitcoin once? Oh, brother, we can look at Bitcoin all you want. We could just stare at Bitcoin for the rest of the session on the monthly chart if you'd like. Just look at it. Just look at it.
You look at this.
Yeah, well,
Would you look at that?
There's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just
Okay.
look at
The
it.
card is not perfect.
Just look.
I'm fooling with y'all. One hour closure below 57. Yep. Yep. Would that be overextended? Yeah, that's a great question, Luca. So you either need the pullback or you need what we just talked about. So you need this type of resistance formed and then the closure below. Very similar to yesterday's trade. Because now you're no longer overextended, right? Now you're actually selling off of the resistance. Therefore, you should have some strong power, especially with volume coming in, to continue driving price. So unless you get that, then it's a bit overextended. Like if you don't get this here and you just close below, then yeah, I think you're overextended at that point, and I probably wouldn't be taking this. The only way, oh, this is the 4 hour, but you know, on the 1 hour, the only way I would do it is if you got a 30 minute or a 1 hour celery play below, right? Assuming this candle has a bottom wick, something like this. And then that's going to fit the description of an A+ setup much better, right? And now you have much better stops. You keep your stops above here, entry right here, and advantage point, and then full target down here. Yeah, either way, we need some sort of a new resistance at this point. Hi, Nick. Can you confirm in an ideal world, if this pushes up, what else needs to line up? Yeah, so what you would probably see is, let's go to like the 15-minute chart, because that's probably where it will happen. So here's the first sign that it could go down, right? So you've got a 15-minute closure with no bottom wick. One of the things that we know is that most times at 8:45, that 15-minute candle will pull price back, right? So you get price to pull back. That's your 15-minute candle, and that's your 4 hour closure, right? Now you're going to need another, probably a 15-minute move up, because this move now represents the 4 hour top wick, right? So if our 4 hour candle closes something like this, right? Well, this wick right here, the way that wick was formed was by this current candle. And we've been talking about this quite a bit, right? By this current candle here. Now, if the next candle, right, in an ideal world, decides to move down, we want to see a top wick, right? So we want to see a candle, new 4 hour candle create a top wick. And what is that represented by? It is represented by this candle right here. So now you have the pullback, which is right here. Now you have the top wick, which is right here, right? And now what you want to see is you want to see a resistance formed. So once you get that resistance formed, that's your opportunity now where we can say, okay, price should be good to move down. Ideally, breaking the high right there, right? Because that's going to activate all the buyers who are buying off of that 15-minute And then boom, we wait for our top wick, and then we move down, and that's going to be our trade. Right? And all that will look like, so that's what it looks like on the 15-minute, but all that will look like on the 4-hour is just something like this. Right? That support here is your wick fill, and then anything below that is traveling down into this range. Does that make sense? Does that help? So this is exactly what I want to see, right? If we can get something like this, that would be best. Or we need to see that below 57. So let's see if this 15-minute candle will obey our commands. I should have kept my crypto mining run. Hero of the day, my guy. Hero of the day. He's here. All right, you got it, Lewis. You draw the best candles. I'm an artiste, man. I'm an artiste. Yeah, so that should happen. Just got to wait on it. How many times have we drawn these things up, just waited on them, and they end up playing out? You know, they end up playing out, and we take really good trades off of them. And you wanna only capitalize on your idea, right? The idea that you've seen more often than not in the market. That's how you operate off the edge. The edge, baby. Listen to Mark Douglas. What did I say about Mark Douglas? I posted something about Mark Douglas here. Let me show you guys. Instagram.
Merge X number.
Yeah, listen to this.
This particular pattern will emerge X number of times, and when it does, there's a higher probability of this happening than that. If I limit my risk when I take the trade, and my profits, my profit potential is at least.
Oh, we might have to watch the whole thing here.
Pattern will emerge X number of times, and when it does, there's a higher probability of this happening than that. If I limit my risk when I take the trade, and my profits, my profit potential is at least 1 or 2 or 3 times greater than what I need to risk, then over a series of trades, I will be a consistent winner. That's what trading is all about, guys, as a passive technical trader. Unless you're doing this other stuff, I just said it right then and there. I said it all right then and there.
Said it all.
This particular pattern will emerge X number.
So, what does that mean? Just what I said. This particular pattern could emerge. It's something that we see more often than not, and that's where we want to take our trade. Or you get this. You may get something like this happen, where now you have the resistance, and you get a closure back below at 9:15, right? And then this is your trade. I like the first example a little bit better, just because it allows the 4-hour to pull back and open up on the new one. LeGrandy. See, people don't listen. So 1-to-1 doesn't work? He just said if it's 1, 2, or 3 times. Come on, man. Listen. Raja would say, clean the cotton out your ears. With a couple curse words there for him. Yo, just listen.
The other thing I want you guys to notice if you're watching this far into the video.
Into the video. He said it all. He said it all. Mark's a G. Yeah, you guys got to watch, man. He's got like 4 hours. I think that one talk right there is like 4 hours long. Check it out. Yeah, this is my IG right here. You can follow me on Instagram. This is my only Instagram. No, I won't hit you up to check you out and see how your trading's doing. We're the king of the one candle strategy, I guess. I guess that's the new label for this stuff. Yeah, man. Yeah, you can check out our page. We put a lot of trades we take. Not all of them, but a good amount of them. Yeah. Beware of the scam pages, especially on a Friday. They're coming for you.
Yo, Johnny Boy's in the house.
John's here. Oh, chat. John is here. He's here. He's here. That wasn't you asking for Dogecoin? By the way, we accept Dogecoin. There he is. John. How you doing?
How you doing?
Yo.
What up, boys? Morning, Rafi. Morning, Nick.
How's it going, brother? How's it going?
Good
Oh, it's
afternoon,
going
Brother
absolutely
John.
great. It's going great, bro. Another day blessed by God. I'm happy to be here. Run it.
Lovely, bro. Lovely.
Sir. How's it going for you boys?
Big W.
Amazing,
day.
bro. Amazing.
Nice. Nice. Love to hear it.
W. How you spell
W, chat. Yo, good morning, chat. How's everyone doing? Happy Friday. Let's run it.
Happy Friday. Now we need the Joe Stewart check. Where is Joe Stewart? Where could he be?
Check 1, 2. Joe Stu. Check Joe.
Joey Stu, how you doing? The second call for Joe Stu.
Report to the office.
One more check. Joey Stu check.
Report to the office immediately, Joe Stu. All right, cool. Perfect. So we got that 15, right? Now let's wait on this next 15. So part 1, done. We got the 15 close. We got the pullback on the 4 hour. Now we want to see another 15 move up. And then, or we get this candle to close bearish back below the range. And then we begin to drive down. But I'd rather see the first example because then we can fill this wick here. Yeah, weak 15 minute like this also wouldn't be bad. Candle close like this. Right? And then you could take sells on a break of the low. Because what will that look like? That will look like 30-minute breakout. Right? If you look at the 30, boom, sells on the break of the low to fill that wick. Joe is not reporting.
I don't see him. I'm scanning.
Joe Stewart.
Morning, Dominic. What up, bro?
Dominic. It's good, Dominic.
Hey, gold's been great to us this week. I think we're gonna have a nice banger to end off the week today. Believe it.
Yo, we having any giveaways today?
Yeah, Rafi's doing a giveaway for a mental coach performance. Holy.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Yeah,
Who's
but
gonna
those
win that?
likes, bro, they're like...
Where the like? Oh, yeah, Rafi wants likes, chat. Come on,
What's
don't
going on?
don't
What's going on
disrespect
over
the
here?
stream like this.
Chat, you better get that likes up.
Put some respect on the stream. Put some
You could
respect
be the
on the
winner.
stream.
All you need to do is like it, and you could be the winner.
Yeah, if you would love to get a mental performance coaching session with Rafi, give the stream a like here today. And if you're not subbed to the channel, what are you like? I shouldn't even say anything at this point. What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
You're not subscribed, bro. Yeah, what are you doing?
And if you're subscribed, why ain't your mama's account subscribed? And your daddy's account, and your uncles, and your aunts, and your nephews, your nieces.
Tell your girl to subscribe to the channel.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Someone's like, yo, what you say about my girl, bro? Let's talk about my lady. 500 likes for a giveaway? Yeah, I think that would be sufficient.
Sandman, what's good, Sandman?
Bring out the whole family. Tell them they're all coming out.
Tell them to bring out the whole ocean.
Bring it all out. DJ Khaled said it, not me. Tell your grandmama to sub to the channel, man.
Yeah, like the stream and put a W in the chat if you've been patient, disciplined so far this session on being patient, disciplined to your edge.
Yes, sir.
That's key. Let's get it.
Yeah, so ultimately, chat, this is what we're waiting on here, right? We drew this out a little bit earlier for price to move up here on the 15-minute, give us some sort of resistance. So we may have the trade come in around 9:30 or 9:45 here, right? We all know what we're expecting, why we're expecting it. We went over that, and now we just got to wait on that price action to form here for us. Grandmas, like the stream.
Yes, sir. We're always waiting on gold to confirm to us what it's gonna do.
Yeah, and if this does close weak bullish like this, remember there's a possibility to take entries on the break of the low here. Because what will that be? That will be the break of the 30 low right there at 9:30. So, man, if we can just play this celery at 9:30 and price just close just like that, that would be the ideal situation here today.
I'd be with that, bro.
Oh, everyone wants new mods, eh? New mods?
Nah, no more.
Gotta talk to the head honchos about that, the mod squad. Yeah, give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Yo, chat, who's the next mod? I don't know who it is, to be honest.
Yo, John, have you gone to the beach yet?
Nah, man, nah. But I'm going in a couple weeks.
Bro, did you just hear that? Did you just hear that?
Nah, what was it?
Bro, the biggest storm. I mean, the biggest lightning ever.
Damn,
Shook the whole house.
Damn, it's lightning by you right now?
Oh, bro, it's crazy, those lightnings here. I felt like in the Midwest, you get, like big storms and you get the tornadoes and stuff. And that was, kind of like, wow, that's intense. Over here, bro, this is next level.
Different.
Yeah.
Damn, dude. Well, at least you're inside, chilling, safe, so.
Yeah, but just crazy.
I always found it a vibe, like, at night when it was, like, thundering and lightning out, and I was inside, chilling. I always found that a vibe.
Yeah.
And it's very, honestly, I find it very peaceful going to sleep, like, hearing the rain. I love that.
Yeah, it's pouring rain, bro, right now.
Damn. It's been doing that for a while?
Yeah.
Or it just started?
Yeah, it's supposed to be rainy season now, but it started very late.
Got you.
Yeah.
So what is the rainy season? Just like what? Is it just March, or is it March to like April?
Nah, it's supposed to start like around October, November.
Really?
And be done by March. But I was away for the holiday, so like I went back to the US. And talking to people here, they said it didn't rain that much or at all. Like wow. December, November, January. Yeah.
That's weird. Now it's starting to rain.
Yeah, so it's delayed now, so.
No, but that's smart, dude. Skip the rainy months, the rainy season. That's what I would do.
Yeah, no, that's the thing that we were thinking. Like, okay, so when it's rainy season here, we want to go to the other side. You know, like maybe go to, you know, Dominican Republic or
Yeah,
somewhere
just
out there, another island.
yeah, just somewhere nice. You know, change up the environment again, change the data
Yeah.
sets. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like doing that too. Like just like changing up my environment at time to time. Like I don't want to be somewhere for too long. You know, want to change it up.
Yeah, no, you have to, man. Like you have to do that because especially when you're dealing with different cultures, you know, like you need to get
Facts.
back to something different, you know.
Facts. Yeah. Agreed. Yeah, LeGrand. I love a rainy night as well.
Yeah, it's good when you stay inside, you know, you don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah, if it's outside, I hate it.
Nothing like a good thunder and lightning storm.
Facts, grind time Mustafa. That's the goal, man. Honestly, at the end of the day, right? To have that kind of freedom where you can do whatever you want, wherever you want, you know. And that's what I've been striving for.
Don't break the low yet. Don't break it.
Come on, gold. Damn. Yo, what up, Energy?
Energy.
What's up?
The
Hope you're doing
energy,
great.
baby, the energy. What activities to follow to build strong mindset in psychology? Read a lot. Read and hang around with people with strong mindsets. Pick their brain. If you can't hang around them, hang out with them on YouTube. Listen to them on YouTube. Go watch videos. I would highly recommend watching Mark Douglas and a lot of his content. Look him up on YouTube. He's phenomenal. He's got hours and hours and hours worth of content up there.
Hell yeah. And another great exercise too to build a strong mindset is every time a negative thought comes up, immediately replace it with a positive thought. Every time a negative thought comes up, that's your exercise to replace it with positive thoughts. And just work on that. It's another way to build a strong mindset.
What you just call the dogs? Come here, Poochie. Come here, come here.
I'm doing great, Energy. Thank you for asking. Blessed to be here.
All right, cool, cool. Yeah, Mark Douglas, man. He'll get you right.
I love him. Love listening to him.
Yeah, yo, there's nothing like being on the ocean for a thunder and lightning storm. That's the best, bro. There's a spot, it's called Holden Beach in I think it's South Carolina. I used to go to a lot. You get a house right on the beach, and man, the storms at night come in, it's crazy.
You hear the waves and stuff. So nice.
Yeah, dude, it's so it's like so peaceful. And you got those big windows too, you know, the back windows that you could see out into the ocean, and you just see the lightning hammering down, thunder. It's crazy. I love storms on the beach.
Yeah, bro, we're running that back up either this summer or next.
Yeah, there. 500 likes for the giveaway. All right, where are we at? Where do we at? 350? Ah, we're almost there.
100, yeah.
We're almost there. I wouldn't sleep on that coaching session. It could very well change your life.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's the dream, man. The dream. Nasdaq moving down. We got the open coming up here in a couple minutes. 15 closures are all coming up here. Gold with a 15 closure as well. So we'll see how we do here. 30-minute going back up. That's why I didn't really trust that break of that low there yet. Really want to see a 15 close first. We get rainy season here too in Florida. Towards like the tail end of the summer.
What would you say, like
Yeah,
July,
when it's
July
like
through
August.
Yeah, it's like August, July. It's so hot too.
July through August, yeah. Yeah, I'll be skipping that this year.
Okay, all right, big baller.
Nah,
My
bro.
bad. My bad. Where
I
you
ain't
headed?
tryna- Just heading over to NY, bro. Honestly.
Okay, okay. John Big Ball out here.
Just for a couple months, because it's gonna get really
Just
hot.
for a couple months.
Oh shoot!
All
Like
right, let me
two.
and Rafi step back real quick.
Nick, I should see you there too. What you mean?
Hey, I'm probably gonna hop around Florida a little bit too this summer. There's a lot of nice lakes and stuff. One thing I like about Florida is that you can travel all around the state and like you can see a lot of beautiful beaches, beautiful lakes. I'm more of a lake guy because the ocean is the ocean. So I like lakes a little bit more. Plus I like to avoid the sand when I can. So I'm gonna try and hit up a few lakes here in Florida this year.
We need to hit up Anna Maria Island again this summer.
Yeah. Yeah, that was fun. Oh yeah, wow. So look at this. So what's one thing we noticed now looking at the chart? So if we notice here on the 15-minute time frame, there's a support right here. Right? You see how support begins to line up now? So you got support and now another support, and then below that is clean candles. Right? So let's measure the range here and see how big that support or how far away it really is. It is 25, let's see, 25 pips? 20 pips. So yeah, if we get a top wick, then there's probably an opportunity, but we got to see if we can get a top wick here.
Yeah, TK. That's funny.
$38. Yeah, this ain't too bad. Not too bad. We got 930 coming in too. I want to see if we can get a steeper top wick so we can enter on the current candle low. So let's see if we can push up a bit and then we can enter on the current candle low here.
Yeah, I don't like the previous low.
Yeah. Gonna have sell stops here on the break of the lows. Looks pretty good. Yeah, sell stops in a break of the lows there. If you re-break that low here at 915, you should drive down after making a top wick. Probably going to move stops to break even around that support, and then look to see if we can get down towards like 21. What is that? 21.58? Yeah, down there. Yeah, and then below that you got, yeah, this looks pretty good actually. So this is what we drew up to, so we're going to act on it here. And if we don't get activated, then we'll just wait on the 30-minute closure. Am I in a trade? Not yet. Once you hear order filled, that's when I'm in the trade. Stops are going to be kept above the previous candle highs here too. Why don't I hear order filled? Okay, I'm in. Order's been filled. So yeah, if we could break those lows, that'd be awesome. $500 likes for the giveaway. Can we get it? Can we get it? I didn't hear order filled. Did you guys hear it? I didn't hear it.
No.
No.
Didn't hear my order filled. Yesterday it was like order filled.
Like a video game?
Yeah. All right, we broke the lows there, so yeah, we should be good to come on down. Gonna look to probably move stops to BE right around this area here, and then close partial somewhere down in this range. That is the trade. Oh, you know what it is? Yeah, I didn't open TradeOvate. Yeah, TradeOvate's not open in the background. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah, that's what happened.
Oh, and you did before?
Yeah. Yeah, yesterday I had it open. Would you look at that? Hey, what up, Tanny? Tanny in the building. What's good? What's good? All right, can we tap that support? Oh, Sam's here. Every time I see Oi, I just think Sam's here.
Facts.
Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, we waited on this for the 4 hour here, right? 4 hour came up, created a top wick, left the wick for us. So we're just anticipating that the next 4 hour candle here is going to look to move down. Yeah, after re-breaking the lows, we got volume in here too with 915. So that's good. I think we're sitting like, what are we up here? We're like, yeah, like 18 pips. So I'm going to move stops to break even here, right? To break even. So going to make it a risk-free trade at this point. And then if we can get through there, then that would be awesome. Did I do that? Yeah, right? Let me move it up a little bit so I can still see. Yeah, so if we're going to reject anywhere, it's going to be right here. So if we can blast through the support, re-break that low, then you should see a pretty swift move down here. But I have no more risk on the table here. Completely risk-free at this point. Can we get a driver at 9:15? Can we get it? Close full. Nice. How do you close partials? Maybe I could try this out again here. Close partials. See, yeah, I can't like close the partial. All right, there we go, breaking through. Oh, yeah, I want to try and, yeah, I'm going to close here at 14 pips. Take my W at this support. More like 19 pips. And then let's see. So now what I want to see here is, will we actually close below is the question. Yeah, let's see if we close below, and then if we do, then we have another position set up here at 9:30. Yeah, I think break even. Yeah, look, break even would have got hit anyway there. Oh no, not yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna close at 19 pips, and then I'm gonna reassess if we can get the 30-minute candle or the next 15 to actually close below. Because remember, we're still not below this actual support here. So if we can get the candle to close below, then that's going to be perfect. We got more clean traffic right down into this range here. So a quick little 19 pips. We'll take it. We'll take it. Click it and hit buy limit. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
How did you go to break even?
Break even, I just grabbed my stop and slid it down and then hit modify. So basically that buy stop that your stop loss is, bring that to entry, and then hit modify.
Gotcha.
All right, W trade here, chat. Let me. Nice. We planned that out. So we planned that out perfectly. It worked out. And we'll see if we get another swing at it here. If you get a closure below 2162, I think it is here. Yeah, but this is the trade. This is what it looked like. So I'm not sure if you guys closed anything, but I'm just going to close at that support there. If you're holding, good luck. If you break through this wick, she gone. She gone. Oh yeah, let's use this thing here. Me and TK added it, but we never use it. We've been using it lately. Where is it? Today's trade. Yeah, here we go. Gold sells 19 plus. All right, cool. Cool. Close my sell and profit. Congratulations. Yeah, congrats to everyone who took that. Quick 19 pips there too, man. I think we've seen what, 21? Yeah, 21 at one point. Yeah, I was expecting a little bit more volume here, but it's no surprise that we are tapping into that support there. So we got 2 minutes for a candle to close. Yeah, 930. If you're still holding and you close below, 930 should run straight down to 52 here. Big closure coming up on the 15. All right. 15. Lifetime, we're at 127 together, chat. 127 wins together. Holy. Yeah, TK, take some profit, man. I'm so thirsty, but I'm still in the trade. Hey, hold it down. Hey, what up, Hank? How you feeling today, brother? I'm 6 for 6 in my trade since the boot camp. Let's go. Big W.
Oh, let's go.
Fire.
Big
Nice.
W.
All right, so we got a W here. We should probably get to 500 likes. Come on.
Yeah, now that we took a W, these maybe give us something.
Link it up.
Oh man, what time was that? 9:15 here. 3:15. Wow, hey chat, another 15-minute entry here this month. Sheesh. It's been all 15-minute time frames so far. What did we get? 19, right? I think it was like 1.4. W.
Look at that, bro. Oh, man, this game is funny.
You just gotta stay in the hunt, G. You just gotta stay in the hunt. All right. Update the record. All right, we're doing it. I got slipped 10 pips. Holy, Hank.
10 pips, damn.
We got TTE shirts coming out. Update the record. Oh, man. There it is. There's 9:30 driving. Lovely, lovely.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm glad we took that trade because this one I probably would have sat out. Number one, we got no top wick. Number two, we closed right at support. And what do we know about candles with no top wick? They'll most likely come back up to make one. But at 9:30, you never know. Got me one of them shirts.
Let's get it, Wags.
Did BE get hit? Oh, yeah, I think BE got tapped. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, I believe it did.
That's okay. Sometimes that's how it goes down. Just taps you out and right back down. W week here, chat. Really good. Very, very good week here. As a squad, as a team, we did very well.
What's up, Sam?
Sam Capital. Hey, Friday again. Again on a Friday. Fridays are our best days. Oh, yep. As our boy DJ Khaled would say.
Another one.
Another one. Got 20 pips. Nice, nice. Put it in the record. Did we not? I think we updated the record, right? Hey, I'm actually using this record now for some of my trades, like all my trades. So if you guys go review the record and let's say you see like I don't know, like something like this on the side, those equals, then that's a trade that I took off stream. Will that stay there? No, I don't think that'll stay there. I'll just put a 1. So if you guys see on the a 1 on the side, those are off stream trades. So if you're looking for the stream for it, then you know you're not going to see the one with the 1 on it. Check Discord message sent you about the partials. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Thank you, bro. We'll be out the stream.
Oh, someone is in the house.
Oh,
Oi, oi, oi.
oi. Is he? Is he ois?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Sam the man.
Georgie, I just seen your message there in the Mod Squad channel. Love you, bro, man. You don't have to do that. You don't have to tell us. Dolphin Milk is in the house.
Oi, oi.
You better have that moo.
Oi.
Man,
Sam.
the chat better be oing. Bring it up for Sammy.
Moo. What up, Sam Capital?
Sam the man.
Oh, that mic is on power speed today.
It's Mike quaking today. Yeah, we got to fix after yesterday.
Oh.
Yo, how you guys
Sam?
doing? Yo, W
brother?
trade, W stream.
Hey, W's in the chat for Sam Capital.
Nah, W's in the chat for Nick
Let's
Stoop
get it.
coming through.
W in the
and
chat
getting
for,
a fire
for
trade, bro.
TTE. For
get
yourself,
it.
baby.
Yeah, W's in the
Let's
chat
get
for
it.
TTE. Yeah, bro. Oi. Got motion. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Louis G? Xander? Dropout Trader? Elaton? Oi.
Elaton.
Get it.
My boy Elaton.
DT.
Oh, man.
Yo, how have you
Yeah,
been,
yeah.
Rafi? I feel like I haven't seen you in
Man. Bro, no, this week was, man, it was crazy. I can't believe it's Friday already, bro.
I know.
It's Friday.
Yeah, I got some things going on and some meetings and stuff, so it's been
Hey,
good, bro. It's been
Yeah, I
good.
always say better be busy than bored.
Oh my gosh, I know, right?
Mm,
How about you?
yeah, W.
How's the weather for you?
It's been getting good.
I know Nick got the summer. Yeah?
Yeah, it's been getting nice. Yesterday was like 70 some. And then it poured last night, bro. It would start raining like crazy. But yeah, I kind of feel like I'm in Florida now, bro. I got
Oh wow.
heat and humidity.
Oh no way, really? Already?
Just with the rain and that, and then it was like 70
Oh,
degrees
okay,
yesterday.
okay.
Yeah. Nah, that's the only reason why.
Crazy.
And then it'll be 32 on Monday. Or
Then it's
something,
gonna
bro.
snow next week or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Snow next
Bipolar.
week word.
Yeah.
Yo,
Monday,
that's how it
actually-
was in Missouri, bro. Like when I lived in Missouri,
There
like
it
in
is.
Kansas City, it would be like 90 degrees and then all of a sudden 30s. I was like, what?
bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
There's your top wick.
To look at this.
There it goes. Hello. Whole team, whole squad printing out here today. Good stuff, chat.
Yeah, W.
Good work. What up, Sam?
See you later,
Capital?
Green.
Whoa,
Peace, Green.
Have a nice
whoa,
weekend,
Green.
brother.
Hold on. Where you going, bro?
He's out, bro.
Green. He's
We
You
all
ain't
have
going
to
sticking
drive
around for
today.
the, you ain't sticking around for the outro? Oh yeah. Come on, Green. We thought we were gonna sing to
Green.
us. Dang.
Green, enjoy your profits, bro. Go
He's
hit the
gonna come
gym.
sing to us.
He's gone. Enjoy your
Green got
profits, Green. Have
Some
fun.
reps to hit.
Yeah, W week, man. 6% this week, so not a bad start to March. Not a bad start.
Yeah, March has been pretty good. Pretty good.
Yeah, we expected it to really get going here in March.
Yeah.
We had a really good
15 minute too.
performance last year. Yeah, man, it's been all 15-minute. Literally.
Yeah, I like that. I mean, I don't really care, but it just shows that like you got more volume.
Yeah, we got more. Yeah, you can see
coming
the
in at
volume
this
coming
time.
in now. Yup.
Yeah. Because
Yeah, last March it was a lot of 30-minute. This a lot of 15 though.
TK says, is there more news today? Thoughts on
Yeah.
that news? So you got preliminary consumer sentiment here. They're expecting an increase to 77.1. So if you do see those green numbers, then gold should continue down. Strength for the dollar. Because if you got good consumer sentiment, that'd be a good thing for the economy. Good for the dollar. Bad for gold.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, W. I think I seen some questions earlier in the chat too about like when the Empire State Manufacturing thing came out. So like Nick, you were on the money with it too, like with like the overall direction. But it's just like a lower impact news, right? Like it's not some like CPI on that. So when you seen those red numbers, like gold made that top wick. And then on the 5-minute you can kind of see it did like a pack runner too.
Oh yeah.
But then like it's just lower
Right here.
impact news doesn't hold doesn't hold too much. Oh no, it'd have been to the left of that, right when it at 8:30.
This guy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, like,
man. That's right.
With that with those red numbers you seen it the initial spike up, and then right after that you just seen price action take back over. But not a trade I would have like taken or anything, just because it was coming right into that support as well on the left on like 30-minute. But
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, this is where it kind of messed it up for me a bit, is that closure above. Luckily, like we came up higher so that we can come down and retest it again. But yeah, had this 15 candle closed down here, there would have been no trade there. Nothing. Yeah, now you're pretty clean, man, coming down. You get closures below here. We got news coming up here in 20 minutes. 70 more likes to 500. Oh, let's go.
let's do it 70 more. You remember saying don't pursue the money, you understand better now? Yeah, don't chase the money, it'll always run.
Yeah, I'll probably do a small little withdrawal today too, just to test the withdrawals out. Maybe do like $200 or something. Pay for
Why
for
not?
diapers. I don't know.
Why not? Yeah,
200 worth of diapers, baby. Let's go.
because you can, baby. Hit that withdrawal because you can.
Yeah, you don't gotta wait. You don't gotta wait 30 days.
Ain't gotta wait for the payout. Yeah, it went in quick. I'm expecting it to probably come out just as quick. Took like 40 minutes for my withdrawal to go in. Still holding? Nice. Yeah, man, if this candle closed below, you should be goner. And then like Sam said, if those numbers come out in favor for the dollar, you should continue to fill this wick. Remember what we talked about, chat? Like when you have an exhaustion wick here, although it's an exhaustion wick in this current moment, but later down the road, right? Eventually, if you get a closure below, that wick becomes a target. And now we're beginning to see that. And now that I've pointed that out to you guys, are you guys beginning to see that a little bit more? See it happen a little bit more previous exhaustion wicks turn into targets and wicks to fill. TT crew is awesome. Like, it's like, yeah, man, it's the trading pit. Yep, that's why we designed it to be like a pit. You know, it's hard to find a good pit to be a part of. So when you got one, you gotta cherish it. You know, you gotta enjoy it. That's what I did, and then I, you know, decided to start my own pit. But like, you can learn so much here, right? And we all had a really good week together. We all kind of learned together. Like, I learned in the markets this week. I learn every day, right? And it's cool because we all get to learn together, all get to, you know, take trades together, get ideas generated together, and just watch price together. You know, trading could be extremely boring if you're doing this on your own. Yeah. So it's good to have a crew to be a part of. Mr. Whiffington.
You make friends, and you make good friends.
Yeah, that's true.
Hold you accountable, and yeah.
Mr. Whiffington.
How you doing?
Yo, what up?
How you doing?
Mr. Whiffington. That's the homie.
Yeah.
Yo, what up, Paras? I'm doing good. How are you doing, Paras?
Paras. Yeah, I think I said this yesterday, but yo, shout out to everyone who took those losses with us and took that rough patch there with us in was that January or February? See, I don't even remember already. Right? That's everything in life. It seems like, oh my God, this is the end of the world in the moment. But if you continue to keep that long-term perspective, understanding that this too shall pass, count it all joy, right? We just go from glory to glory. Like, you will begin to have a different perspective in the moment when the heat rises, right? So shout out to all you guys who stayed composed, like Don would say, stand on business, right? During that little losing slump, and we just kept rolling the die. Right, just kept rolling the die. So everything we talk about, you've been able to see now happen in the flesh, right? Where we just took these hits and just kept rolling the die, and back to business. Right, February also was a bit of a choppy month in the markets, and also, you know, for me, very, very busy outside of the markets too. So it's honestly no surprise that those losses came. So for those who stuck around, you'll reap the fruit, right? But those who didn't, now they're going to go look for another strategy and another system, and that's going to take time. And man, once adversity hits them in that strategy, they're going to be gone. They're just going to be like a fish floating in the wind, right? Floating in the river, just wherever it goes, it goes. You don't want to be that. You got skin in the game. You can use that skin in the game now to your advantage. And like I said on the podcast, you know, it's not if, but when you eventually go through your losing slump, you can think back to, you know, this time and be like, you know what? It's all good. Let me just trust the I'm playing a probability game. Let me trust the markets. Let me trust my edge, and continue rolling that die. And that's all we've done. I made a couple human errors here in these trades too, which I identified and just learned from it and kept moving. And that's what the game's about.
Big facts.
It's true. What's your other option? Sit there and quake?
Yeah.
Sit there and cry?
But
yeah. And then go learn a new strategy,
Yeah.
which is going to take plenty of time as well. And guess what that new strategy has in it? Losses. You're trying to avoid something that is unavoidable. So you have to either tighten up, or you have to pick a new profession. Trading's not for everyone,
Part of
and
the
that's totally okay.
losses are part of the game, y'all.
Yeah. Kept rolling.
Where's
sixes.
Sugar Bear?
Hey, yo, Sugar Bear's still in those buys. Nah, we love Sugar Bear here, man. Just watch your pod with
funny.
Austin and Clay. Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the podcast with Clay and Austin. Let's see what Nas did. Nas probably had a big move. Yeah, look at this, straight down here. So if we didn't have news, we could have nice runners here today on Nas. I probably would have closed everything right here. Partials here. Full closure here. Yeah. Nick the goat? Nah, y'all the goats. Y'all the goats. I'm just a weak little sheep that needs a shepherd. Losses are inevitable. Yep, that's correct. Yeah, we got a giveaway here thanks to Rafi being generous, but we still need 50 more likes. I don't know what y'all are doing.
Man, we got a W and a giveaway here. 50 more likes.
Can you explain what you learned this year looking at reviewing your old losses? Yeah. I learned that the edge works and that it's the human that typically is the one making the error, right? So not every trade, and also one other thing too I learned is that last year where I would say, you know, probability just didn't work out in my favor and just walked away there. Now I ask why. Okay. Yeah, probability. Yeah, we didn't do anything right do anything wrong, right? As a human, the probability didn't work out in our favor, but why? Right? And that's when I'm beginning to find these little nuances, some more little details that go into the technicals that I'm learning. So always learning to ask why, but more so I learned through the losses that the edge is on point. The edge, so going back, and some of you guys that were in the boot camp, we reviewed every losing trade, all 6 of them. We went back, went to the stream, broke it down, and there was clearly human error involved in those trades. There was also trades, according to the playbook, that we shouldn't actually have been in. Also trades where, according to the plan, I should have closed in profit, but didn't. Also, there was another trade where we didn't wait for a closure below, right? So important closures. So a lot of those trades were all human error. At the end of the day, if it was just probabilities, we should have taken 2 losses there. 2 losses out of the 6, I believe it was. So yeah, just learning some of the human errors, and also learning to question, hey, if the probability wasn't in your side, well, why wasn't it on your side, and what could you do a little bit better to increase the probability, whether that's staying away from the trade or waiting for something else to play out, or maybe don't take it at that time anymore. There's little things that go into it. There was also one trade we didn't wait for a range to breakout. Some of you guys remember that one. 30-minute candle flew up, and then we got in to fill the wick, but we didn't get a range 2 breakout in reality there. So maybe one day we'll go over those losses together. We did it with the boot camp, but we've never really done it on the live stream.
Yeah, wow, that's great.
Yeah, the biggest thing I found out though was the edge works. The probability continues to play out in our favor. You know, it's just us sometimes that skews the number a little bit.
And that's the power of not like following the system to the T, right? That you're supposed to have 2 losses that you had 6 instead, you know, from not following the edge. And I think that's pretty powerful, to be honest.
Yep.
But I think like the most important thing there was that Nick like self-regulated, took a step back, and was able to say like, hey, like, you know, something ain't adding up.
Yeah.
Instead of going off the rails and trying to force something.
Yeah. Also within that period, so from the 1st all the way down towards the 12th, I also had a new baby, right? So I was all off the charts too there, and I also moved, right? I moved to a different house. So all that going on, plus choppiness in the markets, plus you see NAS is here. Now, you know, those are 2 new pairs as well. GJ, that GJ trade we should have been at break even. Some of you guys remember we held that through market close. So yeah, you know, there was a lot of stuff going on off the charts too. But look here, after that We settled down. We took these 3 wins in a row, and then I just chilled. I governed myself. Yeah, I showed up to the charts here every day, but I did not trade. Look, from the 16th all the way to the 5th of March, I did not trade. I didn't tell you guys I wasn't going to trade. And maybe I would have, but I was low-key, subconsciously taking a break. Taking a break to just get my footing back and build up, these 3 wins built up some confidence in me, right? Got my mental back up after these losses. And then that break really solidified a nice cool down for me. And then, just went back at it. 5th, 7th, 8th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. So now we're back on the horse. So you just got to self-regulate, know thyself, take breaks when you need to. I wouldn't take a break from showing up to the markets, but maybe taking trades yet.
Yeah, I was just going to say that those are reasons, right, to maybe take breaks from taking trades, right, because of what you're doing outside of your life or outside of trading. I think that's pretty important, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I 100% agree. And I've done the same thing previously. One time before where I was just going through a rough patch, and same sort of thing where I just still showed up every single day.
Yeah.
But instead of, looking to take a trade, I'll just watch the candles, paper trade it, and be like, all right, I think that this is going to do that.
Mm-hmm.
And then over time, after doing that for like a week, 2, 3 weeks, and, you seeing it, your paper trades and what you thought was going to happen was right, you just build that confidence back up to start executing again.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love that you just talked about that.
Yeah.
I think that's super real.
Yep.
That's hella important.
And that's what the industry needs. They need to see the real reality of the trading. That's why we do the live stream, is people need to see that. Otherwise, if you only focus on my Instagram, or if you only focus on this guy's Instagram, all social media is a highlight reel, right? Live trading is where the game goes on. So that's why most traders don't live trade, right? But the ones that do are very authentic, and you can really begin to understand the game, the game that you're playing. Very hard to get that understanding when you follow someone and they only post wins, right? You can feel very bad about your trading, very down about it. But when you hear me say, hey, look, I needed to get my confidence back. I needed to take a chill. I took 6 losses in a row, right? I had things going on off the charts. Then you go, damn, that guy's just like me, a regular person. Like I was dealing with that too, but you know what I mean? So it's more relatable, and it can give you guys the proper expectations in the journey. And that's by far, that is why we're here, to set the expectation right. Because too many traders, again, new traders come in and think it's a get rich quick scheme thing, or not a scheme, but, oh, I can get in here and make money. And there's no stress or no, adversity that comes with it. And that's just not the case. If you don't know adversity's coming, the first sign of it, you're going to quit.
Yeah. Thanks.
I had to painstakingly leave my record up 6-1 for all month. Yo, that record looks like crap. Oh man, people came by, they were like 6-1. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna watch this guy.
1-6.
6-1, I'm gone.
For real.
Yeah, man. My bad. What were you gonna say, John?
No, so I was listening to Fury, the owner of SMB Capital.
Yeah.
And the lady asked him, she was like, Mike, what separates profitable traders from unprofitable traders? And he said, their edge, their ability to follow their edge, their ability to be disciplined to their edge. So if you want to pursue trading full time, anyone in the chat, you got to understand that you have a job, right? And your ability to be profitable in trading is going to lie in your ability to follow your job, your plan, your trading edge, right? So if that takes you having to write down on a piece of paper what your job is, what your edge is, then and put it by your computer, then so be it, right? But we got to get that ingrained that the edge is key to the trading, and you need to be following that on your trades long term, right? To see profits.
Yep. Like Mark Douglas said, he said it all, man. He said it all. Hey, what up, Wags? Appreciate you, man. I learned how to better handle a losing streak. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, plus it was a good example, man. Good example of just taking them hits, taking it on the chin, and just continuing to fight, continue to battle back and get right back to it. Like I said on my IG in my threads, man, bosses, they take losses, eat it, and double up and get right back to it, and that's what we do.
Yeah, man, and you got to be committed, honestly, right? You got to have a long-term mentality in this, right? To want to be profitable long-term, you got to burn all the bridges, and there's one plan, right? And that plan's to be the best trader, and that's what you got to do.
Yeah.
Burn the bridges.
Burn them. My trading win streaks started when I started watching the stream. Hey, nice. Master your life. Love you too, bro. Yeah, we'll all run into losing streaks, and it'll happen more than once. I'm sure all these guys up here have hit a losing streak, and if it was the first one, it won't be the last one. If you plan on doing this long term, it's okay.
Yep. And guess what? All my really bad losing streaks were all human errors. None of them were from my edge. All human errors.
Yep.
So.
It always is, like if you're moving or if you're going through stuff like that, you're not thinking coherently anymore. And then you take a couple of losses. Now you are performing out of emotional thinking. So that's the reason why, you want to know that this is not, unless you're violating your rules. But if you know that you're going through a lot, just step back and just take it easy, one day at a time. And that's the reason why I say you can't depend on that to pay your bills. Because if you need to that, you need that to pay your bills, then you can't step back. So now you have to play catch up, and you play catch up, then you feel more pressure. So it's just being able to just being uncomfortable. I think that's the best thing. You're on a drawdown, 2%, 3%, feels uncomfortable. It's okay. Just sit with that for a second, and just go right at it.
Yeah, man. Yep. And this comment right here is, while I was going through it, I knew that this comment and many comments like this would come up, right? It says, learned so much from these last few months. That losing streak is definitely the best example, right? So as a leader, you're always leading, right? You're always setting an example on how you do it, how you handle it. And I knew that as long as I stayed composed, that this would be a really good example for those following this on their own journey, right? That they're just maybe a little bit behind me, right? They'll be able to follow that example. And I'm always others focused. Although I took that stuff, I'm not too worried about those losses. But I'm always others focused, and I want to make sure, I'm leading properly. So that way, when others do come into that, right? Like I said on the podcast, not if, but when, that they have that example to look back on. So W, man. W.
Facts. No, and literally when I went through my losing streaks, big losing streaks, I said it to myself, though, that was the best thing that could have ever happened to me, straight up. Going through those losing streaks, having those human mistakes made me learn and feel the pain of what it's like to be not good in this game, right? And that feeling just made me not want to ever go back to trading that way again. And it made me become disciplined to my edge, and it was the best thing that could ever happen to me, right? So that's how success is legit right on the other side of failure. You just got to get through the failure with a positive mentality.
Yep.
Yeah, that's so true, bro. I relate to that so much. At least that feeling that you're talking about, when you are just breaking your plan, bro. It's my self-talk. I feel it's so crazy. I'm just bro, what are we doing here? Why are we not following the plan? We know it works. We know it's gonna, in the long term, bring money our way, but so it's why am I not following this? Why am I being an idiot right now? Why am I not doing what I know works? Yep. Come on.
That's
that's the best.
Real. And it's that self-talk. It's that self-talk, right? Where you figure it out. You ask how, why, right? How, why, and you figure out what's good with you, and you figure out what you're doing and how you could do better, why you need to do better. And I think that's so key.
Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah, look at the rejections right off this 4-hour support again, right? It's a very strong level right here. Very strong. Another bounce. Is this live capital or a challenge account? This is live capital.
Thoughts on the news? So you saw red numbers. So gold made a little bit of a spike up. We'll see if it continues up, but IMO pretty bearish for the day. Like even earlier, like this isn't like a massive high impact news event, right? So just like that Empire Manufacturing Index we had earlier, you seen it just right when the news came out, it moved up, made top wick, and then continued price at what price action was doing.
Yeah.
So like, I wouldn't buy here either.
Yeah, me neither. I would not buy here.
I know some of you in the chat are thinking, hey, you see the onion, you see the red numbers. I personally just would let it go, bro. Yeah, look at that 1 hour. Its previous one was bearish. Like, it looks like it just used the news to make a top wick, and who knows what it's gonna do.
Yeah.
Someone in the chat's already gonna buy.
Bye. Hit it.
Yo, it's
There
good
you go.
Z Gamer.
Yeah, there you go, Z Gamer. Beautiful.
Facts.
What to say when you talk
That's Mark
to
Douglas 1-on-1.
See, this comment right here. My strategy is different, but your discipline helps me to develop my emotion, bro. And that's the thing is like 80% of trading is all psychology. My strategy, your strategy, it doesn't matter. It's how is our mindset looking? You know, are we tighten up? Are we FOMO? Or are we looking for trades to gamble? Like
Yeah.
Yeah,
And that's what I love about our stream too, our community. Like, we're not here to tell you, yo, teach this way. Like, half the time we talk about we're talking about mentality, psychology, like things that actually matter. Like a third grader can learn technicals, you know, at some point. Like, it's not, we're not here to be like, our strategy's the best, trade this strategy. We're just here to kind of be like a beacon of light in terms of like the hope in the industry and what it's actually going to take. Like, I feel bad that no one gives it to the people straight, you know, like no one's going to sit there and tell them some of the things that they don't want to hear. And I know sometimes you don't want to hear things, but you got to hear them, right? My mentor, he never told me what I wanted to hear. He always told me what I needed to hear. And ultimately that may have been not so much of a fun conversation sometimes, but you know what that did? That pushed me to reach new levels, that hit my ego, you know, and allowed me to, you know, basically like suffocate my ego in a way as well, saying, no, you know, I really do need to improve in that area, whatever that area was. So I think the people just want it straight. And whether you trade this way, whether you trade that way, that doesn't matter. It's more so what's the journey like and what's it really going to take to win. You know, strategy is going to, that's, I don't know the word for it, but that's, you know, that's the least that matters.
Yeah, you just need to know how to think like a professional.
Let's go, Billy O'Neill.
Your strategy.
Yeah, that's the main thing, like John said, just honestly bringing that professionalism to the table.
Yeah.
We're so close to 500 likes and we're about to dip, so y'all better hurry up if you guys want a piece of the cake. Hit the likey.
16 likes, bro. That's all we need.
Like it up.
Yeah, great week, man. Great week, chat. What do we do here this week? What day did the week start? On the 11th? Yeah, I think we just didn't take a trade Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we got trades in. Oh, we got the likes? Alrighty.
Oh,
Likes have
shoot,
been
let's go.
smashed.
They ready?
Last minute volume came in late.
Late volume.
10 a.m. the TTSE open. TTESE.
Damn, mastery of life. You're gonna win big, bro. Not many people are willing to do that. He said, what I do after the stream is I'll watch at least 2 or 3 of your live streams so I could learn the strategy. That's not many people are doing that, brother. That's what I would do. I would literally watch Don's stream and Raja's stream every single day, just to hear what they talked about, right? I already kind of understood the base of the style of trading, but just to hear what they were talking about, I really do believe that that extra work is what separated me. And I have no doubts that that extra work will separate you as well. Not many people are going to be willing to do that.
Right.
Yadik.
Yeah, that's true.
Separation. All right, so how you want to do the giveaway here, Mr. Rafi?
What's the best way to do it? Just pick somebody random.
Yeah. Maybe.
Johnny boy, you pick somebody.
All right, Joe, just pick like someone.
Hold on. TK say something.
TK's probably got a good idea.
Oh yeah, he says I like picking in Discord. Okay, well, TK, you pick somebody. How will he do that?
Damn, I think last time we like shut down the whole Discord. Like it needed a reboot of the system.
Oh
Discord
dang!
server had to restart. That's
If anything, maybe. Well, they can't see your side of the chat. I was gonna say just spam mad W's in the chat, and then honestly just look for someone that you feel has been putting in the work. You know, instead of a random, maybe try and find someone that's been putting in the work that you see, you skim by, and you go, there he is. There he is, or there she is. That's the one.
I was trying
I'll let you pick, Nick, because you know I haven't been here every day, so I think you have a better idea.
Damn, putting the pressure on me.
I can't even think.
Johnny boy,
I'm here too much. I'm here too much.
Yeah.
There's so many people.
Johnny boy, you pick.
Who
You
are?
pick, Johnny boy.
Damn, Chad, don't get tight of me. All right. Let me think, man. I don't know. Sheesh. Let's see. Damn. Yo, chat, who wants it?
Putting the pressure on Johnny boy. Hey. Sam, you
Yo,
pick
give me-
now.
I'm just trying to think real quick.
There's too many, man. I would feel bad because there's so many that are really crushing it right now that are making mad improvements. Sheesh. I'm trying to think in my head how we could do it a fair way. Today's the best day of my life.
It's
Alright,
not
I
gonna
think
be
I
the
got-
last giveaway anyway, so
Yeah.
I think I got
whoever
someone.
gets it. All right, let's hear it.
All right, we cool with this? I'm gonna pick it.
Hey, it's your world.
Yeah, you
I'm
pick
just
it.
living in it, boys.
All right, bet. Yo, chat. I love all of you. Don't get tight of me. I'm going to pick my brother Miko.
Oh,
Hey,
Michael, the
Michael.
young boy.
Let's go.
Okay,
My young
okay.
man.
Go.
I got you, bro.
All right.
Mid-code boot.
Wow.
All right, Miko.
Chat, love
You
you.
know
all.
the
All right.
deal.
Congrats, bro.
You know the deal. Hit me up. Let's schedule it, and I'll give you the details so you can get ready for this call. Okay.
Damn.
Let's go,
Life-changing call coming up.
bro. Rafi about to put you on, brother.
The rest of
We're
the chat's
gonna go on a little journey here, a little trip.
That's fire. Wow, bro. You
Little-
must
little
have
trip.
something special about you, man.
I
You-
don't know why my soul, like God, just was telling me to pick you, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That was the first name that came to me
Wow.
today when you said that. But I'm like, I'm
Damn.
just gonna let somebody else pick. So I think it's meant to be.
Wow. Michael,
Dude, it's
Mitko.
meant to be.
There's a calling on your life, brother. Don't let it
Yo,
slip.
wow,
Crazy.
bro. Rafi, that's some
Crazy.
sick energy, bro, right there. Honestly.
Yeah. I just felt overwhelmed. That's why I didn't want to pick.
Yeah,
That's
wow, bro.
insane.
That's a W.
Yeah.
Love
No
you. Let's get it.
surprise.
Miko, reach out to me either Discord or Instagram, whatever, and let's see if we can schedule for this weekend. And I'll give you the details so you come ready and we can explore.
Love it. Love it. Love it. That's going to be a good one. And there'll be more giveaways. There'll be more. Rafi's been generous enough to want to do this here a couple times a month, so there'll be much more giveaways. The man,
Yeah,
the myth,
definitely,
the
definitely.
legend. But yeah, I think that'll do it here. I think that's the day. W week, W day,
Week.
W giveaways, W for Mitko. And yeah, man, congrats to everyone who had a really good week this week. Set the intentions right early in the week and followed through on it. W.
W.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what I just thought of? Today's my
What?
1 year anniversary.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Wow. 1 year anniversary. Dang.
Oh.
Actually, it was yesterday, but I
Oh.
forgot. I didn't notice until today.
Okay.
Okay.
Sam bro, have to ship you some flowers or something.
Damn.
Nah, bro.
Sam's 1
Y'all
years
do
old
enough.
in time
Y'all
to
do
years.
enough. Yeah, in TT years.
That's
I'm sure.
crazy. That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
W. Happy 1 year, my boy. It's been good having you here, man.
Yo, thanks for having me. Yeah,
Hell yeah.
absolutely.
I couldn't see us without
be
Sam
honored.
at this point.
That's too kind, bro.
Damn the G.
There's no TTU without Nick, John, Rafi, all the mods, bro.
The
The
mod
amazing
squad.
chat that we have here.
The Quakers.
Thanks, bro.
He is
Yeah, it wouldn't be the same without the Quakers.
Nah.
Yeah.
TTA
And Sugar Bear.
Gummy Bear. What is Gummy
Yeah.
Bear?
Everyone in the chat. Yeah, you guys make up this beautiful community that we have.
Yeah,
W.
man. That's cool.
Get it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Maybe next week I'll do a giveaway too with like
Oh,
just
yeah.
something for an hour together or something like that, one on one with me. Yeah, I think that would be dope.
Awesome.
Yeah, where the
W week,
Quakers
though.
been, by the way? Anyway, like, how come they're
Oh,
never
they
around when we're
Quaker?
winning? Oh,
Good
yeah.
question, bro. Because that's how it works. They're in the that cycle, new strategy, right whenever the wins are coming.
Oh man, yeah. Next
Facts.
week.
Now we love the Quakers.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we pray for them, and a lot of Quakers have turned into a very loyal TTE family, so that's good.
Yeah.
But yeah, hey, look, we set the intentions on Monday. Go back to Monday's stream. We talked about really taking this week serious and committing to the process. So W for all you guys who had like your best week of the year or best week ever this week. It was obvious that would happen if you follow your plan. So you can see the fruit now of following the plan day in and day out. The fruit is good, isn't it? It's enjoyable. It's ripe. So continue to follow that plan. That way you can reap that fruit moving into next week and the week after and so on and so forth. And enjoy this weekend. I'm going to take maybe a $100 withdrawal and I don't know. Like I said, probably buy some diapers or something. But yeah,
Buy a
man.
toothbrush.
W.
Yeah.
Go buy some
So-
shampoo, dog.
Go buy some shampoo. But all right, chat. Sam, John, Rafi,
Nah, bro.
appreciate you guys being here. As
Yo,
always.
thank you for having me, brother.
Yes,
John,
sir.
Thank you, bro.
Sam, have a
Yeah.
nice
Rafi,
weekend,
Sam.
brother.
High
guys
five.
are
High
goats.
five. Yep. And
Thank
Chat, love y'all. Have a
Yeah,
great weekend.
It's always an honor.
See you next week.
yes,
W.
sir.
Miko, reach out.
Hey, yo.
Shout out Miko.
Start
Let's
game
get it.
time.
All right, chat.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Peace.
He's gone. They're
Peace,
gone.
Sam.
Later.
Peace,
Later,
Rafi.
Johnny boy.
All right, Nick. I'll give you a call later. Yo, chat. Enjoy your weekend. Make sure you
Peace.
improve. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
Peace, brother. Later. All right, chat. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy the weekend. If you got to study. If you don't have to, get off the charts and just enjoy life a little bit. And we'll catch you next week. All right. Love you guys. Z Gamer, George VDM, all the mods, Louis G, TK. Who else we got? Rafi's a mod too. Who else we got? AB Mike Green. Thanks a lot, guys. Yanosh, Yanosh, appreciate you guys pulling up as always, holding it down as the mod squad. And yeah, we'll see you guys on Monday. Love y'all. Be great. Walk in it. Walk in that strength. And I'll see you.